PM.
What's the urgency?
Urgency in the sense, my lord, by giving a retrospective promotion, my juniors has become my senior now. Now, my lord, they are my boss. And that again, my lord, today itself they are going to hold another DPC. So therefore, that is much obliged.
May it please, your lordship. May it please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for item number 41, lordship. Lordship, kindly allow us 2 weeks time to file affidavit, lordship. I'm for standing counsel of person department, Mr. V. Rajpura.
Have you taken the consent?
Yes, lordship. We have already taken.
Who's the petitioner's counsel?
Lordship, he is in under code. Actually, he has also under mentioned.
Okay. How much time?
Lordship, 2 weeks.
2 weeks time is allowed. To Mr.
AJ Sharma.
Standing counsel cooperation to file counter affidavit.
Obliged.
List after 2 weeks.
May I please, your lordship, may I pray for listing of motion Wednesday, man.
Why?
My lord, a transfer matter, I have been in hanging position, my lord.
Wait, please, my lord. I beg to mention a matter for listing in the admission stage, my lord. My lord, 14, 15.
15.
Highly obliged.
My lord, similar prayer on 18.
My lord, I have also similar prayer, my lord.
May I please, your lord?
Next Monday, my lord.
20. 20.
May I please, your lord? Also, I beg to mention item number 31. In this
31.
31. In
Yeah.
this matter, lordship, respondent filed their reply. Respondent filed their affidavit. I have to file our reply.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, Lord.
Your good name?
M. Roy.
How much time you require?
3 weeks.
MS Emerald and the counter for petitioner. This allowed 3 weeks time to file reply to the counter filed by the respondents. List of 3 weeks.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to list one pending WPC of 2021
Oh,
on 20th March, lordship.
okay.
Obliged.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I have a prayer for withdrawal of a repetition, my lord, on Wednesday, my lord. And another prayer for listing of an admission on 28th, my lord. Highly obliged.
I beg to mention, my lord, the item, my lord. Can it be on 15 or 18, lord?
Item?
No, my lord, the matter has not been listed, my lord.
Oh,
I want to mention, my lord. Either 15 or 18, lordship.
18.
18.
May I please, my lord? My lord, I am praying for listing, my lord, on 20.
Huh?
I am praying for listing of repetition, my lord, on next week, my lord, 20.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I am praying for a listing of writ petition, lordship, on 13th of March. A similar matter is also fixed on 13th of March, lordship.
May I please, your lordship? May I please, your lordship? I like to mention item number 30.
Item?
Item number 30.
30.
Yes, yes, your lordship.
Yes.
I am for the petitioner.
Oh,
We are going to file an additional affidavit. We have taken the consent of the other parties as well. It may be listed after 2 weeks.
your good name?
As Bothagu.
On request made by S. Butterful as a counsel for petitioner. List after 3 weeks.
My lord, listing for admission matter, my lord, on 15, my lord. 15.
15, I think we have cases, lots of places. 20.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I am paying for listing and writ petition for admission, lordship, on 20.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, with the consent from other side, I beg to mention item number 26, lordship.
Yeah.
Lordship, the conducting counsel is out of session, lordship.
Who's the conducting counsel?
Lordship J. Roy.
When do you want?
Lordship, can it be on lordship 28?
On request made on behalf of Mr. J. Roy, learner counsel for the petition. List on
28 March, lordship.
20.
28.
28
Wait.
will be some difficulties. 1st April.
Obliged, lordship.
My lordship. Lordship, I have filed an IA, my lord. The main case is fixed on 13. So I.
Made pledges a lordship, my lord. My lord, for Woodriel, my lord, I am praying for listing on my lord tomorrow, my lord. Of lighting.
Item 44, there is an order for personal affairs, my lord, for officials of irrigation and the finance department. Can it be taken after the motion, plan?
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 12, daily listing. Adjournment for 1 week, your lordship.
You good name?
A. Hussain, your lordship.
On request made by Hussein and a council for the list of the 1 week. Yeah.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I pray for listing of a matter for admission, Your Lordship. The union has filed the affidavit in opposition, Your Lordship. This Friday, Your Lordship, I pray that the matter be listed, Your Lordship.
For what?
For admission, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
For listing a writ petition, Lordship, for motion, Lordship. Actually, it's a tense, we are challenging a transfer order, Lord.
20 March.
20 March, Lordship.
May I please, I would like to mention one with petition lordship and one on contempt petition due to non-release of pensioner benefit. 20 lordship.
First,
First. Thank you.
May it please your lordship, an item for listing your lordship in an admission column. Last it was listed on 23rd of 08/2023. Lordship may it be on 20th.
It's really difficult. We'll have it on 3rd of April.
Lordship, 1st of April,
Okay.
obliged.
Item 49 of supplementary list.
Lordship, I am for UGC and my written recommendation.
Other respondents?
Lordship, I am for the higher education department, Lordship. I need some time to file my written.
Lordship, how much time will you require?
Lordship, after a week, Lordship.
Okay. On request made by you, Bamania. Then Standing Council Higher Education. Higher Education. It's the matter again on, it is what? 11th. Can you do it by 18th?
Yes, Lordship.
Are you sure?
Lordship, can it be on 20th in the?
20.
Much obliged. 50.
On behalf of the leaders and submitting a written argument.
Mine also ready, my lord.
You have 4?
I am for the respond number, my lord, 9, my lord.
Education?
My lord, I appeal for the education department. My lord, mine is also ready, my lord. It's on the printout. I can file it by afternoon.
Then we'll have it on 20.
2 minutes.
On
I can
request
file it
made by
by
R. Majumdar and the Standing Council. Secondary Education.
second.
List on 20.
51 to 53.
We're ready.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm for UGC, but our written recommendation to read it.
Yes. Lam?
I'm for the NCT, my lord. Our argument is for forever.
I also supplied, my lord, today itself. It's ready, my lord. I'm just taking the printouts of the judgments referred to.
Then 20.
My lord, little bit.
On request made by R. Majumdar and the Council for the Standing Council Secondary Education. List on 20. 20. Let us have it properly.
54, 55.
Yes, Saikya.
My lord, I am ready with the written argument, my lord. On the last occasion, lordship observed that, my lord, if they do not file the written argument today, lordship will take up the matter, my lord, on the basis of the material available on record, my lord.
Sorry to disappoint him, my lord. It's ready. Written arguments are ready, my lord. I can file it.
Okay. You are?
I'm for the department.
That's all. Government advocate? Not required.
Not, State Department has not.
Okay, parties have submitted their written arguments. Fair and conclusive, just to reason. You supply?
Railway chorus.
Obliged, my lord.
56 to 59.
In this matter, I appear for the governing body, my lord. We have filed an additional affidavit bringing on record the recent resolution of the governing body.
Where the additional affidavit?
It has been filed in item number 57. Lordship. In item number 57, I think.
The chamber. You have a copy, you have a copy.
Yes, I can supply mine.
But as per this resolution, the decision of which were challenged in the first round of litigation, which forms part of this series, now that has been withdrawn by the governing body. The last page, your lordship will find a resolution. Now this makes the entire series infructuous.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm agreeable, Lordship. Only one thing, Lordship. What happened by the interim resolution, Lordship, the governing body constituted the internal complaint committee, Lordship. And all the subsequent interpretation came up due to the consequential actions taken by the ICC. So if Lordship records that due to this recalling of the parent resolution, all the consequential actions taken by the ICC and the governing body has become redundant in view of the same.
You are appearing for
the governing body,
Ken Chowdhury, is it correct?
my lord, I am P. Bharadwaj for respondent number 3 in item number WBC 2870.
No, 56, item 56.
57.
In 57, I appear for respondent number 3, my lord.
No. You are the governing body, isn't it?
Yes, my lord, I am the governing body.
Item 56.
Governing body, Women's College, Silchar.
Okay, then we'll dispose it of it. Mr. P. Bharadwaj, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the governing body,
Women's College, Silchar.
Women's College Silchar, submits that the governing body has resolved to treat the emergent GP meeting dated 22/2/2019, correct?
Yes.
And its resolution is null and void. And a fresh ICC will be constituted strictly following the verdict of the division bench of this court in case number WA 331 of 2016.
Yes.
In its meeting held on
This is the meeting held on 19/10/2020.
2023. Either of us submits that in view of the resolution dated 19/10/2023, the matter has become infructuous. Accordingly, forward, all the petitions, including the IA, stands disposed of as infructuous. However, with the observation that any consequent action taken in view of the emergent meeting held on
19/10/2020.
No, 22/2019.
emergent GB meeting held on 22/2019 shall stand
Redundant or infructuous. Cancel.
shall stand as null and void.
No. Lordship,
With the
only all the consequences actions taken by the ICC and the governing body.
Okay, all the consequential actions taken by the ICC and the governing body shall stand as null and void. So, would be accordingly, this page of it are dismissed.
Lordship, my name will be recorded, Lordship. As Chakraborty for the petition.
On top, On top of this, heard Mr.
S. Chakraborty.
S. Chakravarti, learned counsel for the
Read petitions, read petitions.
You also appealing?
For higher education department.
Also heard Mr. You 1 year, learned study counsel, higher education.
Complete. 56 to 59, Lordship.
Yes. It's there in the chapter. Are you sure? But I don't have a copy. Can you just keep it with you? Just keep it.
60.
Appeal for respondent number 12.
60.
We'll have it on 20 other matters and reach the conclusion. None appears for the petition. Mr. R. M. Dekal and the council appears for respond number 12.
Except I'm N Guatemala. Men Guatemala.
Oh. In Gautam. Learned counsel appears for respond number 12. And Mr. P. O. Pavilion, standing counsel appears for the higher education. Reach the matter again on 20.
61.
But I am ready to file.
Lordship, I will be filing on 20th.
On request made by Mr. P. O. Pavilion, standing counsel higher education. Please start. 20.
Last.
Yeah, make it last and
Item 1 of daily list, motion.
May please your lordship.
yes.
Well, the order lordship will find at page 8, my lord. Contempt petition, my lord, page 8, 11%, page 9, my lord.
Have you filed your affidavit?
Yes, my lord. I have filed additional affidavit. Lordship will kindly turn to page 24, my lord. Page 24, my lord. Very recently, my lord, they have inter-departmental communication is there, my lord. So, lordship may issue notice at this stage, my lord.
Because I issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on respondent 1 and 2 by registered post.
Obliged, my lord.
After 6 notice.
2.
Lordship, in this matter, I have received instruction, Lordship, and I want to file an affidavit in this matter.
Notice was issued on 29th January, my.
Why is it coming up for motion?
It admission
Yeah,
is supposed to be, my
it
lord.
should be in the admission column, Lordship.
But M. Sarena, let me counsel for the MSM Bhattacharya, Bhattacharya, learned standing counsel, learned addition, senior government. And press for
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks time to file up. It's up to 2 weeks in the admission column.
I love it.
Obliged.
3.
May I please, your lordship.
Yeah.
Your lordship, in this case, your lordship, on last occasion, Honorable Court directed the petitioner file an additional affidavit by explaining the ground of delay, your lordship.
Yes.
And accordingly, lordship, we have filed an IA.
Where's the IA?
IA regarding explanation of delay, your lordship.
This court asked you to file an additional affidavit, not an IA.
Additional affidavit, sorry, lordship, additional affidavit.
Where's the additional affidavit? When did you file it?
Lordship, if your lordship find at page 71, your lordship, of additional affidavit, your lordship.
There's no additional affidavit here. When did you file your additional affidavit?
It was filed on 29, your lordship, of February.
29 of February?
Yes, lordship.
Mr.
S. I. Akan.
S.
I. Akan.
I upon Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that he has filed an additional affidavit on 29/2/2024. Registry to verify it and place the same on report. Please, doctor, 1 week.
Plus. Deeply up. 4.
Lordship, on last occasion, we have been asked to obtain instruction, Lordship. Instruction is awaited, Lordship. Kindly matter may listed on Friday, Lordship. I'll obtain the instruction.
Third MS G.
G.
Bora,
Bora.
Learned Counsel for petitioner on request made by MS M. Bhattacharya and additional senior government. Please, again out 16.
Obliged, your Lordship.
5.
May please, Lordship. Reply to others.
Yes.
But we have filed the affidavit and then they have also filed a reply today.
Where is the affidavit?
So we filed on 7th. It is in online, it is showing.
It's not on record.
But they have also filed a reply today. I have got the copy now.
Oh.
So can this be taken tomorrow? Madam? Let both the
Day after tomorrow. Let it come on record.
tomorrow is a hearing table, we'll get some time. If tomorrow is a hearing table, you will get at least Latif has kept the matter for disposal. Madam. We'll get some time. Madam. If not inconvenient.
Okay. Mr. D. Nath, Leonard Senior Governor, Advocate Service, that he has filed counter affidavit on.
But we have served the copy on 6th.
No, when did you file it?
On 7th.
On 7th of March, 2024. Mr. A.D. Chowdhury and the Council for Petition also submits that he has filed reply to the counter affidavit this morning. Registry to verify and place the affidavits on record. Tomorrow may be a little difficult for the registry. How about day after Thursday?
Let it be day after tomorrow. Madam.
Yes, the matter I cannot. 13th.
13th. Also.
We'll give you time, don't worry. Even if it's a motion day, we'll give you.
Interim order to be continued.
Interim order passed earlier to continue.
Obliged. See, but Lordship has on earlier occasion, Lordship has observed that an endeavor will be made to dispose of the case. That Lordship may kindly on the next date.
No need to pass that order.
I'll just repeat my I'll repeat my point. Lordship. Obliged.
See.
May I please, your lordship. So petitioner before lordship, he has challenged the selection of the respondent number 4 for the post of administrative officer in the establishment of Deputy Commissioner, my lord Bhojali. Your lordship, kindly see the annexure 1, page 18 is the advertisement.
Page
18.
Yes.
Second paragraph, the candidate must have served at least 15 years in any of the Deputy Commissioner establishment in Assam and must fulfill the eligibility condition and have experience as per the Assam Ministerial Establishment. This is the criteria, eligibility condition. And 9 candidates, my lord, applied for the post. And my lord, page 19, a list is prepared. And page 20, your lordship, kindly see particulars of the candidates that was sent to the government by the Deputy Commissioner. Page 20. Petitioner name appears in serial number 1, Gita Kakoti Pathak. And he is, my lord, date of joining, years service on 1/8/2001. That is, he joined in 1987. That is 34 years of experience. And now respondent number 5, respondent number 4, that is, he has been selected, but that is at serial number 4, Rupam Thakuria. And he joined.
1 minute.
My
serial number
4.
4.
And he joined on 7/5/1999, 22 years experience in as a junior, senior assistant. 12 years senior, I'm 12 years senior than the respondent number 4. Now, my lord, the recommendation of selection committee, your lordship, can we see page 22? And last paragraph, my lord, page 25.
25. Yes.
The selection committee reviewed the track records of the candidates, applicants, and after further discussion, considering the merit on the basis of the weightage of the ACR gradings, length of service in the establishment branch in particular, pending DP code, and past track records of the candidate submitted by the District Commissioner Badali, recommended of name of Mr. Rupam Thakurati as for number 4, for appointment to the post of so in ML. Response number 4 has been selected.
You are?
I am Gita Pathak, serial number 1. I am 12 years senior than that private person number 4. So far, ACR is also correct, good. No DP is pending against me. And rule says that my lord, the selection committee has to prepare a list. That is, I have quoted the rule in the body of the petition in page number 10, para 9, last paragraph. Page 10.
Yeah.
Last paragraph, that is rule 683. That is this selection process.
Yes.
The appointing authority shall advertise the vacancy by itself or may instruct the deputy commissioner concerns to advertise vacancies, inviting application from suitable person eligible for appointment in the post of administrative officer fulfilling the requirement of the post as per clause 1 above. The appointing authority shall obtain an annual confidential report for the last 5 consecutive years and relevant service particulars of the eligible candidates for the recruitment to the cadre of administrative officer and place the annual confidence reports along with the relevant service particulars of the candidates before the selection board with the number of vacancies likely occurring during the year. That has been done. The selection board shall examine the ACR and service particulars of the candidates, taking into consideration the service merit of the candidates and prepare a list of names of in order of preference for recruitment to the post. That has not been followed also.
No, these are merit basis.
Merit basis considering the past services, seniority, and the ACR. That is no.
So merit will count ACR.
Yes, ACR. So for ACR is concerned, clear, no problem. In my case also, and I'm senior, it is also admitted, my lord. But on what basis I have not been considered, my lord, that is not mentioned in the recommendation. They have to prepare a list, my lord, why I have been rejected and why he has been selected, my lord. At this stage, my lord, problem is that my last Wednesday, my lord, to my instruction, this respondent 4 has been appointed during pendency of this after filing this petition. So at this stage, my notice may be issued and any appointment of the respondent 4 is subject to the result of the petition. Can it be done? Because already, my lord, to my instruction.
Lordship, here admittedly, the petitioner has some past record, Lordship. Yes, which has been mentioned in the minutes of the meeting, the selection committee, Lordship. This is there.
Ultimately, no DP, no case.
Whatever it be, it may not be in the present, presently, it may not be there, Lordship, but she has the past record, Lordship.
Some civil case was there. That is also, my lord, in favor was, we preferred a civil revision petition before the High Court. Already, my lord, that has been allowed.
You are Gita Kakati.
Gita Kakati.
So you want the suspension?
My lord, that is reinstated. Then, my lord, in DP, my lord, I was, my lord, acquitted.
Not acquitted.
Oh, yes.
We are not aware, Lordship,
DP
what
was there, my lord.
exactly
It
has
is there.
happened, Lordship.
One
Whether this,
increment without.
Yes.
That also, my lord, my lord.
Huh?
Yes. DP was there. One civil revision was also there. That is reflected in this. The aforesaid order was passed by this honorable court.
and in page 23, it is there, Lordship.
Yes.
He has been asked to deposit fine, lordship.
That has been
And
by
was cautioned not to repeat this.
Number 4.
respondent number 4, Rupam Thakuria.
Okay. Heard, Mr.
And Hawk.
And I learned the concept of issue notice. MS M. Bhattacharya, then additional senior government advocate.
For 2 and 3, lordship.
How about the GAD?
GAD, lordship. A. Fukan, he appears, lordship. If your lordship is issuing notice, lordship, can we record his name? I will inform him.
Mr. Fukan and the standing council GAT appears for respond number 1. And MS M. Bhattacharya, the additional senior government advocate, appears for respondents 2 and
3, lordship.
3. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on respond number 4 by registered proceeding. Within 1 week?
My.
1 week from today. List the matter of respondents are allowed to file counter affidavit. List the matter up to 4 weeks. The appointment of respondent number 4 shall be subject to the office of the proceeding.
Apply.
Apply.
7.
Please, your lordship. This is regarding compassionate appointment, my lord. My case has been rejected by the state level committee, my lord.
When?
Page number 19, my lord. Page 19, my lord.
Yes.
Meeting dated 6/12/2023, my lord. The relevant portion, page number 23, my lord. First column, my lord. First line, my lord. Uttam Burman, life of Basudev Burman. The SLC is on the non-ability of vacancy position.
Yes.
My candidature may be considered in other department, my lord, as per OM dated 1/6/2015, my lord. And span of 3 months, my lord, is not necessary, my lord. As per Fajirunisa case, my lord, it has been extended up to 12 months, my lord.
Yes.
But lordship, below that it is written in page 23, lordship. There is no vacancy within the 5% quota earmark, lordship.
So you apply clause 15.
Clause 15.
Clause 15 will not applicable, lordship.
Why?
Because as per this NC Santos case, lordship, because the appointment has to be on that relevant point of time when the
No, clause 15 says when there's no vacancy.
no,
in the
lordship,
particular
because
department.
that is prior to initiation of clause 15, lordship. And NC Santos case is very clear, lordship, where it cannot be applied, lordship.
No, SLC considered it on 26/6. On 16/12/2023.
23. Yes.
Anyway, lordship, I shall obtain on the instruction,
Okay,
lord.
heard, Mr.
FL Astronomy.
FL Ascar, London Council for Petitioner, MSM, Bhattacharya, and list after
3 weeks, lordship.
I get 2 weeks. There's a simple instruction. Where is this from?
Kachan.
Acha. 2 weeks.
And the page and phone number 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3.
Let her take instructions.
8.
8 is also same, my lord. Page number 20 relevant. Page number 20, my lord, is the relevant portion, my lord.
Yes.
Serial number 18, my lord. Bottom part, my lord.
When was the SLC held?
Same SSC, my lord. 6/12/2023.
Serial number?
Serial number 18, my lord. Last. Is number 20.
And it is admittedly lordship after a gap of 1 year. Almost after 1.5 years, they have applied lordship.
Here, there is a delay.
Delay, my lord, and my lord, there is a judgment of our court. My lord. It is not mandatory, my lord. Within the
No.
there is a judgment, my lord. I have the judgment. There is a reported judgment, my lord.
You file your affidavit.
Lordship.
But Mr.
F. L. Oscar, my lord.
Then it comes to proposition notice. Who appears for one? Irrigation. MS.
DS nuclear.
DS, new, understanding council. Irrigation department appears for respondents, one.
1 and 3.
1 and 3, and MS, M. Bhattacharya, and the
2 and 4, Lordship.
additional senior government appears for respondents. Notice on respondents are. Extra copies you produce. Please stop before this.
9.
9 also, my lord, same.
Where's the?
Page number 22, my lord.
Yes.
Serial first, my lord, serial number 15.
Oh.
Late submission and non-ability of vacant post. My lord, here it is, my lord, wrongly recorded, my lord. I have applied one after 1 year, my lord. My lord, in the DLC, my lords, my lord, kindly see. DLC, my lord, page number 14, my lord. Page 14, my lord. The relevant portion 15.
Yes.
Page number 15, last column, my lord. Serial number 13. Date of submission of application 1/11/11/2013 and date of death, my lord, 18/8/2013.
Where's your application?
My lord,
Where's your application?
application, my lord, 11/11/2013.
No. Have you enclosed your application in this?
No, my lord, I have not annexed. Only.
And here also notice. Bhattacharya.
Only acknowledgement, my lord, I have annexed.
But here it is written that there is this was not considered for a period, remain pending for 2 years, lordship. So it has panty sports, lordship. This is the only issue, lordship.
Not FL Scala issue notice. MS.
DS nuclear.
Yes, new clandestine revision appears for respondents 1 and 3. Some additions 2 and 4. Not respondents are complete. However, it's of this. This.
Obliged.
10.
Yeah, please, Lordship. Lordship, I am before your. A selection was held, Lordship, for assistant land records assistant, public Lat Mondal. The selection was duly held. Selection list was published, directed for appointment on a particular date, fixing some date.
Where's the selection?
Selection, Lordship, 16. Page 16, Lordship will find that is the selection list. There 11 is my name, serial 11.
Serial?
Serial 11.
Oh.
Jiti Rai Medhi. He was duly elected, selected, directed to join within a speculated time. And when he went to actually join this duty on page 17, Lordship will find that the last paragraph, annexure G, the appointment is purely temporary and may be terminated at any time without prior notice.
They are directed to join in their duties in the office of the district commissioner, Kamrup, Metropolitan so and so, Hyderabad so and so within 15 days from receipt of this order. Let's say finance 17. Right, sir. So when he approached this attendance office, he found that actually he was not directed to, he was dissuaded. Don't join. You are not to join. Some other person will join, he will not join. He asked this reasonableness, why my selection list, my name appeared duly qualified and directed me to join along with others. You are allowing other persons to join, you are not joining. So someone whispered that they have to exercise some quota, lady quota, or maybe female quota somewhere or other. Why at my instance, I am saying this, I have not received any notice from this department that against me there are some female quota will be exercised. Say. So there is nothing of the sort, no whispering, but in the isolation, this
Where's
was
the advertisement?
advertisement, Lordship. Page 12, Lordship. Page 12.
Is there any reservation for women?
All, actually, I perform all these requirements, the training, other things, testimonials, what was required to be suitable, OBC, belong to OBC group, and belong to OBC category. And there is no impediment in my case to stop me that don't join. And at my post, no other person to be chosen. That has become my problem. I have before your too. I am an graduate, unemployed youth, belong to OBC community at a far.
Where's your joining report?
Huh?
There was not allowed to join.
I was not allowed to join on that date. That is my difference.
Yes.
Lordship, it is governed by this 163C Lordship, because this is for the appointment of Latmandal Lordship. Though he has not mentioned that properly Lordship, but this has to be there. They have to file an appeal Lordship.
No. Issue here is he is not challenging anyone's appointment. He's saying that he has been selected in terms of the selection list.
Not given appointment.
He's not being allowed to join.
Okay, Lordship, I will obtain instruction.
Okay.
But the revenue department, they are also the necessary party, Lordship.
Are they a party?
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship, I favor Lordship in that just to pray for the
SC revenue is
to
reflected.
the stay operation
SC revenue
this
is
order
not
that
reflected, Lordship.
State Square John then they took when I was directed to join.
Only GA.
That protection I did.
Status quo is on today. That means you will not be allowed to join.
No, that was just empty, Lordship.
Huh?
That was said by 16 when I was directed to 17.
You have been selected.
Selected.
Now you are not allowed to join. That's what you said.
That's all.
If I pass a status quo order, you will not be allowed to join.
No, not a status quo empty. That when I was directed to join, no other person should be appointed against me.
So that we don't know.
No, that's the Lordship, please.
That we don't know.
Lordship will find. I give protection.
Anybody for the
Actually, the name is not reflected. SC revenue is not reflected, Lordship. That's why no one is here.
revenue who was appearing the other day?
There are so many Lordship. S. Datta, he is there. He was actually was there.
Antique.
S. Datta. Yes, and it is also there.
All of the revenue department has come. We'll take up after some time.
Lordship.
11.
Lordship, can you mathematically pass over for the time being?
Why?
Also, my senior is in port 8.
Who's your senior?
Please go, Lordship.
$11.
13.
Huh? 11. You can.
My pleasure. Herein the petitioner, he was selected to be engaged as Zolamitra, your lordship. And as per to be engaged as Zolomitro or pump operator or caretaker. And thereafter selection, the petitioner was asked to participate in the training, and thereafter the petitioner completed the training. In the meantime,
Where's the select list?
page 26, your lordship, kindly have a look. Annexure 5. By this letter, page 25.
নহয় নহয় এইটোতো এনেই কৈছেহে ফাইনেল নহয় তাতে কাগজ কিন্তু তাতে কোৱাই নাই একো নাই এনেই এইবিলাক
Yes.
By this letter, your lordship, against Shiltoka PWS, the petitioner, he has already been selected. And thereafter, he was participating in the training, which was held by the respondent number 5.
No, this is not the select list.
No, this is not the selection list.
Where's the
I have challenged
where's the
this.
select
There
list?
is no select.
Select list is not here, there, your lordship, because the page 18, your lordship, kindly have a look, your lordship. After selection, this letter was issued by the respondent number 5, page 18.
Yes.
And the name of the petitioner appeared at page 21, your lordship, at serial number 45.
1 minute.
By this letter,
Yes.
the Zolomitras who have been selected by the Gram Sabha, they have been asked to participate in the training. In the said list, the name of the petitioner appeared at page 21, your lordship, kindly have a look. Serial number 45, page 21.
Yes.
Shiltoka, and thereafter the name of Zakir Hussain, he is the petitioner hearing.
Oh.
And the next page, page 22, after completion of the training, the certificate was issued in favor of the petitioner. That is page 22.
Oh. Then
Despite of all this fact, your lordship, that on 13/2/2024, that impugned order has been issued. That is at page 25. Page 25, your lordship. I'm reading page 25.
yeah.
With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to inform you that page 25, your lordship.
Yes.
Social mobilization activities and formation of water user committee under JJM is under process in Dingdinga village. For operating and maintenance of the scheme, a Zolomitro is to be selected amongst the beneficiaries for the said scheme. For the Shiltoka PWS Sri Pareshuddin son of Swanso of village Swanso, Post Office PS Swanso, under Dhuri district, has donated the land for establishment of Shiltoka Girls ME School. But the land was used for the purpose of establishment of JZM scheme for the greater interest of the society. Therefore, I request you to conduct a Gram Sabha and to select the said Zolomitra in the above mentioned PWS. But in respect of these PWS, the petitioner has already been selected, and thereafter he was participating in the training, your lordship. And the selection basically
13/2/2024. Yes, then
the selection is basically it is to be made by the water user committee of the scheme, your lordship. But herein given that to conduct a Gram Sabha and select to a person, his name is mentioned. But it cannot be. That means the respondent number 5, he cannot choose a person to select a particular person. And it is And selection is basically upon the user committee, your lordship. User committee will
So what
select.
is your grievance here?
My grievance is that I have already been selected against this scheme, your lordship.
Huh.
Against this scheme, I have already been selected. I have participated in the training, and thereafter, by this order, again, they have asked to conduct a Gram Sabha for selection of a
So has
person.
it happened or not?
No, no, nothing.
Then,
Till now, no such selection has been done.
then
Therefore, I am praying, your lordship. In the meantime, this letter may be stayed and notice may be issued, your lordship.
for what?
Because of that, I have been selected. I
You
have been
selected.
I have been selected.
You have completed your training.
Yes, I have completed.
After that, what happens? You issue the
Thereafter-
selection?
No, no, thereafter, they,
Issue the appointment order.
yes, engagement order need to be issued to me, your lord.
Yeah.
But that has not been issued. And in the meantime, they have issued for selection of a person who is.
Well, this is not a selection list. This is only a list indicating who has undergone training. The list is hopping about.
What is the process? Tell me.
My lord, the process is we construct a water supply scheme and it is handed over to the Gaon Sabha. They conduct a Gram Sabha with the users, but they select a person among them. We just provide them the persons who are eligible or who volunteer, my lord, we provide them training, nothing else. My lord. It is upon the user committee who selects it. So, and the list is hopping about, my lord, it is just a indication that who has the people on training, undergone training on. In that case, my lord, and this, even the letter he is hopping, my lord, it doesn't say anything, my lord. It's not a final order. The Gram Sabha will sit and select a person, nothing else, my lord. This is not even a select list. This is just a list which says these are the person eligible. They have undergone training. They can maintain your water supply scheme, nothing else, my lord. This is not a selection list.
But the selection list, your lordship, on
This is not
yesterday, I
selection
got
list.
the
This is just
selection
a-
list, your
this is
lordship.
not a list, my lord.
Here is the selection list, your lord.
This is not a selection list, my lord.
But it is in Assamese, your lordship.
My lord, this is not a selection.
You translated, file it by way of an additional
Yes,
affidavit.
my lord.
But I'll file additional affidavit, your lordship.
Mister?
I am fine, your lordship.
Yeah,
But I am only
Lord-
praying, your lordship, that letter may be stayed, your lordship. Because of the fact is that, your lordship,
Praise for filing an additional affidavit. Enclosing the selection list.
selection proceeding, your lordship, not list here.
The selection procedure. List out. After 1 week,
On Friday, your lordship.
list on 15.
All right.
All right.
14.
May I please, your lordship? The petitioner, in fact, was enjoying a advance increment granted by the authorities, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, in 2009, that was withdrawn, my lord. Page 27 is the order, my lord.
27.
27, my lord. It's an order dated 3/7/2009, my lord, by which, my lord, this advance increments were withdrawn, my lord.
Yes.
Now, my lord, similarly situated persons, my lord, approached this honorable court, and this order was set aside by this honorable court in 2018, my lord.
Oh.
Lordship will find the judgment, my lord, at page 23, my lord, it starts from page 23. This on 22nd of May 2018, my lord. And my lord, Lordship will find the operative part, my lord. Page 25, para 9. It may also not be out of place to mention here that while the impugn order decision is based on Home Department circular of 3791 and the consequential circular the Police Department issued on 2791, neither of the circulars have been produced by the government advocates to justify the impugned decision. It may therefore be appropriate for the court to, it may not be appropriate, therefore be appropriate for the court to comment on these two circulars referred to in the impugned communication dated so and so. Hence, since withdrawal of the increment benefits will impact the pay package of the special branch constables, the same cannot be retrospectively enforced against those who have drawn their emoluments on the basis of the advance increments allowed by the circular dated 26/10/1978. Hence, the impugned decision dated 3/7/2009 stands quashed with all legal consequences. So, well, this order was set aside, madam, by this honorable court. Madam. Now, petition, of course, did not approach madam, with the similarly situated persons, madam. But on a representation granted by a similarly situated person who was also not a party, this benefit was granted. But the petition also filed a representation that has not been taken into consideration, and that has not been disposed of as yet. my lord, seeking, my lord, similar benefits, my lord. So at this stage, I am only paying for a notice, my lord.
Yeah, go good.
And there is a huge delay on the part of the.
Yeah,
line approach.
2018.
Then issue, my lord.
True, my lord. But then,
Others came, they got the benefit, my lord, in time. But here, my lord, he has come.
but this has an effect on his pension also, my lord. Perhaps, my lord, even otherwise also, my lord, that will also, my lord, that's a continuing wrong, my lord.
Okay, let us see. But Mr. M. Datta, let me call. Issue notice. Yeah, appealing for
I pay for only two, my lord.
two.
For number two.
Home Department, MS, A Talukdar, London Standing Council, London Government Advocate, appears for respondents, one.
One, my lord,
3 to 6.
three,
1, 3 to
3 to 6, my lord, all them.
1, 3 to 6, and Mr. B. Google, London Standing Council, Finance, appears for respondents. Notice of respondents are submitted, response are allowed to file their affidavit. Extra copies. List at the phone.
The issue of maintainability may be kept.
The issue of maintainability raised by Mr. B. Google that the Standing Council Finance Department is kept on.
Right.
15. May I please, Lordship? My lord, this case relates to the non-promotion of the petitioner, my lord, who is working as a DCF, my lord, and his name appeared in gradation list, my lord, serial number 25. But below, at Lordship, kindly have a look at page 15, my lord. This is the gradation list, my lord. My name appear, my lord, bottom at serial number 25.
Yes.
Jayanta Kumar Das, my lord, but below that, my lord, M.R. Chaudhary, U. Goswami, and others, my lord, whose name appeared below me have been promoted by the promotion order dated that your lordship will see at page 19. Operative part as 19, my lord. It starts from, my lord, serial number 17. The Majibur Rahman, my lord, his serial number is 26. Upanandra Goswami, serial number 27. And Debabrata Nath, 29. And Salim Ahmed, 30, my lord. Below the petitioner have been promoted. And depriving me, my lord, they have not promoted me, my lord. That is my case, my lord. And I have submitted, my lord. They have last occasion, they have asked me to submit my annual property return for the last year, my lord. That also I have submitted. Annex of 4, my lord. Even though, my lord, I was not been promoted. So let them take, my lord, instruction as to why, my lord, my promotion was not given.
My note. Let notice go, my lord. And my lord, he has not made a party to the other person.
No, my lord, I'm not giving any grievance against them, my lord. Let
What?
them enjoy, my lord.
There is a
I have
grievance.
to,
He says
I
he's
have
below,
to, my
he's
lord,
up. Then they have,
my
things
lord,
will be changing.
my lord, what I want, my lord, let them get promotion for them, but my promotion has to be there. I am not against those persons, my lord, 6, 7.
Below them.
My lord,
Your promotion should be below them.
no, my lord, above them.
Then we record party.
My lord, as such, I am not seeking
Well,
any
his
relief
whole
against
case
them.
is basis of this list. If
My lord, only let them say, my lord, why they have not promoted me, my lord. Despite of I am below me, they have promoted. Why? What wrong with me?
See, the gradation list, you are senior to these 3 persons.
5
Correct?
6 persons,
6 persons. Correct.
my lord.
Now, if tomorrow the court holds that the promotion order was not proper,
My lord.
and then you should be promoted, then you will become senior to these people.
My lord.
Then these people are they not required to be heard?
My lord. Anyway, my lord, if it is so, my lord, I'll implement them as a party.
Then you file your IA first.
My lord, let the matter come up on Friday, my lord.
Mr. Jay Barbuya, let me call for the petitioner. Praise for filing an appropriate application for improvement of necessary parties. Please note 18. Right.
all right.
16.
Petitioner Lordship was engaged as a casual labor. In the meantime, she was terminated from service and she filed a representation for engaging as a casual labor. I'm just praying for a notice, Lordship.
Where's your termination order?
The termination order has not been provided to me, Lordship. In fact, they are recruiting some other persons in my case.
Where's your appointment order, engagement order?
Lordship, the appointment order is not with me. I have just annexed the
You don't have engagement order, you don't have termination
Lordship, may
order.
kindly see
So
page
what type
20
of notice do you want me to?
Lordship, may kindly see page 27 for a moment. Page 23, Lordship.
Yes.
Page 23, this is the salary which was remitted to the employees, casual staff laborers. And the petitioner is the serial number 3, Lordship.
Oh.
Then she was terminated from service, Lordship,
Where?
by the respondent number 1, Lordship.
Where's the order?
That order has not been provided to me. Since I'm a casual labor, they can terminate probably without any show cause. That is their stand, probably.
Maybe that may be their stand, but there should be a termination order.
There is no termination order has been provided to me till date.
Then how do you know you are terminated?
Because I have not given any salary, I am asked not to report duty, Lordship, by the respondent number 1. There,
How do you know that? How do you know that?
page 28,
28.
Lordship, page 28 to 32. I have filed several representations through the concerned MLAs and concerned ministers of the department. To the respondent number 1, no, nothing has been done till date, Lordship. These are the representations saying that they terminated me without any opportunity and appointing some other person. And I requested them to appoint me in a casual post.
My lord, the thing is that she, if I go by writ petitions record, my lord, page 23, she was the casual staff of the corporation, my lord. Oh, these documents are my lord. My lord, now the thing is that if there is no termination order, my lord, or any as such, if it's terminated, what vested right she has, my lord? She was brought in as a casual labor staff, my lord, without due process of law, no interview, nothing, my lord. Now, if you want to go for, my lord, press selection following due process of law, my lord, there is, my lord, no bar. The law doesn't bar us to do so, my lord. My lord, will keep this for motion. I will seek one instruction only, my lord. No notice at this moment.
But Mr.
Our problem.
Learn the council for on the request made by Ardhar, under the additional senior government. Please the matter after.
After 10 days, my lord, I will just get the instruction, my lord, whether she has been removed.
Please the matter again on 21st March.
My lord.
17.
Lordship, kindly possible for timing, Lordship. The engaged counsel is like on court number 4, Lordship.
Please, Lordship.
Lord, in this case, Lordship, in 1991, the petition was appointed as engaged as master role, Lordship. Thereafter, my lord, the service of the petitioner was regularized, Lordship. My lord,
Page.
my lord, at page 28, Lordship, regularization order, Lordship. My lord, his service was regularized in the name, my lord, Simanto Kumar Das, Lordship. He was also engaged in that name, Lordship. But the petitioner, Lordship,
1 minute.
Simanto, my lord, at serial number, page number 28, serial number 15, Lordship. Bottom. Simanto Kumar Das. But my lord, in all documents, Lordship, including academic, my lord, certificates, Lordship, Aadhaar cards, banks, my lord, accounts, my lord, PAN cards, everything, Lordship. His name is, my lord, accorded as Otsut Kumar Das, Lordship. My lord, he during service, Lordship. In 1994, he submitted an application for correction of the name in the, my lord, service records, lordship. And my lord, that with an affidavit also, lordship, that was not done, lordship.
Where's your engagement order?
Sorry, lordship.
Your engagement order.
The engagement order is master role, my lord, at that moment, the engagement order was not there. My lord, there was a rule, lordship, and the rule was maintained, lordship. And accordingly, we are allowed to work, lordship. Subsequently regularized, lordship. My lord, pension payment order is also, my lord, I have been given retirement, lordship. In the pension payment order, Srimanta Das, by that name, I was given retirement, lordship. Because of, my lord, different name in, my lord, Aadhaar card, particularly Aadhaar card, lordship. My lord, nowadays, my lord, the link between, my lord, bank account and Aadhaar card is required for the purpose of obtaining, my lord, getting the pensionary benefit, lordship, pension pay, my lord. We are facing difficulties, lordship. My lord, in 94, I submitted application, that was not considered, lordship. After retirement, I submitted, my lord, fresh representation. So saying that I am facing different difficulties, lordship, in getting, my lord, pensions because of link could not be established, my lord, with the Aadhaar card, PAN card, and the bank statements for, my lord, getting the pension lordship. So recently, I have submitted application that is also annexed, lordship. My lord, page 41, lordship. Unless it is done, lordship, we are in very difficult to get the, my lord, pension, lordship. My lord, page 43. This is a, my lord, 44 vernacular, 41 is the, my lord, type.
Your school certificate also says you are Simanta Das.
Yes, lordship.
That
My lord, school certificate, my lord, this is Otsud Das, lordship. Admit card, Otsud Kumar, this is University of Guwahati, this is also page 15, lordship. Otsud Kumar Das, lordship. Everything, lordship. Aadhaar card, mainly Aadhaar card is, my lord, important. Aadhaar card, my lord, it is required to be made as link with the, my lord, bank account, lordship, to get the, my lord, pension, lordship. So this also, my lord, this can be, my lord, corrected by the authorities, lordship.
how? On what basis?
My lord,
Your school certificate says you are Simanta Das. Your TPO says you are Simanta Das. What? How do we change your name? Maybe it's a different guy, different person.
right. My lord, my lord, ID, lordship, photo ID is also, my lord, submitted, lordship.
Where's the
for
photo
authority,
ID?
lordship. Voter list, lordship. Voter photo ID, lordship, kindly see. Voter list. Voter list. Voter ID has page 15, lordship. Page 15, lordship.
Page?
Page 15. Otsud Kumar Das, lordship. Page 15, lordship. Page 15. Now, my lord, school certificate, admit card, kindly see, lordship, at page 14. This is Otsud Kumar Das, lordship.
Page?
Page 14, lordship. Admit card, lordship, Board of Secondary Education, Assam. Otsud Kumar Das. My lord, Otsud Kumar Das, son of Sri Basanta Kumar Das. Full number so and so. My lord, electric commission, my lord, voter list, everything is there, lordship. Now that's
Lordship, in all our office record, in the regulation order as well as retirement order, his name is reflected as Simanta Kumar Das, my lord. Nowhere it's reflected as Otsud Kumar Das. Additional lordship, if you notice, I will get instruction and file affidavit, my lord.
Mr. Image Ahmed. Issue notice. You have full?
I have for 2 and 3. One, lordship, there is no additional chief secretary in the IWT department. It's an error, so I am received notice on behalf of 2 and 3 only. There is no additional chief secretary in the IWP department.
Then
I'm only 2 and 3 I'm applied. কোনো additional chief secretary নাই এটাতে। Secretary বনাবো লাগিব।
Secretary, so, my lord secretary, my lord principal secretary mentioned.
It should be secretary, there is no additional chief secretary in the IWP department, government of Assam.
then you'll have to collect
My lord.
the cost title.
My lord, state is lordship is their lordship, state,
No, there is no.
whoever represents, my lord, the state, my lord, state is their lordship. That's point number one, state is there, my lord.
No, he has written additional chief secretary, IWP department.
It is represented by whom?
By the secretary lordship, it is additional is written lordship. Additional chief secretary is written lordship.
There is no additional chief secretary in the IWP department.
This is, this should be, my lord, secretary topic, principal secretary, now.
Correct the cost title.
Yes.
You correct the cost title.
Lordship.
That's the only way out. Otherwise, how do I issue notice?
My lord.
Mr. M.H. Ahmed, let it also. Praise for 1 week time
Lordship.
to file an appropriate application for correction of the cost title. Stop it. List after what?
Deeply obliged, my lord.
All right.
Lordship, I am for responding on 510 response.
I think both.
Then.
Yes.
Our name not reflected in the list, my lord, that I misappropriated. Then my learned friend can take instruction.
Lordship, I shall obtain instruction.
You want notice to go or you want to take instructions? Instructions.
Lordship, I shall. Notice, it will be better, Lordship, if notice gone.
Okay, heard, Mr.
No, as Huda, HUDA, Huda.
S. Hudan and counsel for the petition. Issue notice. Okay. MS M. Bhattacharjee, Leonard, additional senior government advocate, appears for respondent.
1 and 5, Lordship.
1 and 5. And Mr. J. Hendricks, Leonard, standing counsel.
Revenue lordship.
Appears for respondent.
2, 3 and 4.
2, 3 and 4. Notice on respondents.
Lordship,
Are allowed to find the respective applicants. Extra copies. Yes.
our name can be reflected in our lord's.
Matter after 2 weeks, 3 weeks?
3 weeks.
2 weeks. Registry is direct to reflect the name of the understanding council. Revenue in the process.
Obliged, sir.
Yes.
17.
Yes, yes.
Well, in this case, the case of the petition will be rejected by the SLC, my lord. And on 31/12/2018, my lord. On the ground, page, my lord, page 48. Serial number 96, my lord. First round, they have written, my lord, after applied after 1 year from the date of death. It is not correct. It's not correct because, my lord, the date of death was 3/6/2014 and date of application was 29/10/2014. Number one. Now, secondly, my lord, and they have stated that for section assistant is underqualified. On the day of, he was recommended by the DLC, my lord, on that day he was qualified, but subsequently the qualification for the post of SA has been changed. And as a result, he could have been considered for the grade 4 category, my lord, but that has to be done, my lord. So notice may issue.
Why are we approaching now?
Because, my lord, I have filed the RTA application, my lord, and in the RTA application in the year 2019, my lord, chief engineer has written me that is under process. It is under process. Even the office of the chief engineer does not know about the outcome of the SLC. Then how can I know, my lord, from the day of remote area?
That is not.
And after that, I have been.
Then what happened after that?
After that.
Where's the RTA application?
RTA annexure, my lord. RT Annexure 5, my lord. Page 33. Page 35 is the.
Page 33.
33 is the communication to me.
Oh,
Then, my lord, 35 is the letter. In inviting reference to the above mentioned subject, I have the honor to inform you that the proposal for appointment on compulsion ground in respect of Srimati Topadev Tarafdar, wife of such and such, have already been submitted to the government by this office letter number such and such. Presently, no further information against the proposal is available in this office. This is submitted for information. This is the reply given by the chief office of the chief engineer.
then what happened after that?
After that, I was not aware, and ultimately I've collected. I could collect the copy of the SLC only in the year 2023, my lord. And
How did you get it?
after I came to the office, then I inquired again. Then I collected it, my lord.
When did you get it?
In the year 2023, my last part of 2023. Only then I have come to know.
Have you made that explanation?
Yes, explanation given. Implement. Page 17, madam. I've given. The petitioner, at her own cost and initiative, ultimately collected the impugned minutes from the office of the SLC in the year 2023. Hence, it took some time on the part of the petitioner to approach this honorable court for the answer list.
That is not a proper explanation. You got in 2023, you took some time to approach this court. Prior to 2023, what were you doing?
I was waiting for the reply of the, as I have given the RTI reply, my lord.
RTI was replied in 2019.
Yes, sir.
Then between 2019 and 2023, what were you doing?
Corona period was there, my lord.
Corona everywhere, Corona.
Corona was there.
Corona will not help you.
2 years, my lord. In the year 2019, Corona started.
20 is that.
2021 started. So Corona period is there.
What about 22?
It took some time on her part because she is the only.
You better file an affidavit explaining the delay.
The other part, my lord.
You probably better file an additional affidavit explaining the delay. There's no mention of Corona in your application, nothing. 2019, you were given the response. 2023, you said you got it at your own cost. In 2019 to 2023, there's no explanation at all.
Participation notice at this stage.
No, I'm not issuing notice. Till this court is satisfied, there will be no notice. You file an affidavit. Mr. B. Protestant and also. Shall file an additional affidavit explaining the delay in approaching this. Please, after 2 weeks.
One. Any date, a date will be given, my lord.
20 March.
Obligation.
Sixty-two of supplementary list, most of it.
No, please, your lord.
That's it. The petitioner here is a rifleman in the Assam Rifles Club.
He is agreed by denial of promotion to the rank of Havaldar Lordship, but no rejection order has been issued by the.
Where's the union? Yes, go good.
Lordship may issue notice at this stage.
But if they are double, then it's also for the issue notice. Mr. K. Google and CTC, interest appearance in accept notice on behalf of all. Notice on this public, however, extra copies. Please after 4 weeks.
Obliged. 44 of daily list. Orders.
Lordship, may it please this, my lord. By the order dated 2/2/2024, your lordship, this honorable court directed personal affairs of response number 8 and 9, my lord. There are two clear orders from this, positive orders from this honorable court, my lord. One is at page 17 to 23, which has attained its finality, my lord. And next one is at page 35 to 39, wherein I have filed this instant contempt application, a sealing violation, my lord. Lordship may kindly have a look at page 35, my lord.
Thirty?
35, relevant portion is at page 37.
Yes.
Lordship, what happened in this case? There's a positive order from this honorable court dated 22/2/2019, my lord. Whereas the direction has been issued for regularizing my services, my lord. What happened, lordship, in this case, order of regularization came in my favor. They did not do it, my lord. And instead, a person with the same name was given benefit, my lord. So, lordship, this honorable court by order dated 22/2019, lordship may kindly have a look first to that order, page 17 to 23, my lord, is the first order of this honorable court. And the history of the case is at page 18, my lord.
Yes.
The case in brief is that the petitioner was engaged as master roll worker with effect from 1/5/91 under the establishment of the respond number 4, that is the executive engineer Golaghat irrigation. Pursuant to the decision taken by the state cabinet, the finance department sanctioned the creation of posts for regularizing master roll workers who were engaged prior to 1/4/93 by memo number so and so. Accordingly, the irrigation department, by communication dated 3/10/2005 under memo number so and so, conveyed the creation of post of the accountant to the accountant general Assam. Amongst all the list of the names of the master workers to be regularized, the name of one Bhuvan Das, respond number 6, was given against the serial number 49. According to the petitioner, the name was wrongly reflected, and in fact, it should have been his name instead. Since all other particulars, your lordship will kindly note that part. The date of entry in service, date of birth, and the date of retirement was that of the instant petitioner, my lord. Consequently, the service of Sri Bhuvan Das was regularized by the order dated number so and so 6/10/2005 with effect from 22/7/2006. By the said order, it was provided that the post would be personal to the incumbents concerned and will be abolished as and when the person concerned relinquishes the post in any manner. That was my case, my lord. They have filed their affidavit. Pleadings are complete, my lord. And your lordship, relevant portion of the order finding at page 21, my lord. Paragraph 8.
Yes.
I have considered the submissions of the learned counsel for the parties and have perused the materials available on record. The state government, as may be noticed, has taken a policy decision to regularize those master workers who are engaged continuously prior to 1/4/93. And this policy, while being implemented, the name of the petitioner was also proposed by the irrigation department. However, due to inadvertence, the name of the petitioner was wrongly reflected in the proposal, and consequently, respond number 6 got the benefit of regularization instead. The writ petitioner, being unaware of this fact, filed a writ petition in the year 2007, which is disposed of on 22/199. After disposal of the writ petition, he came to learn about the error committed. Therefore, he submitted a representation before the respond number 4 on 2/9/2010. The petitioner subsequently filed a present writ petition in the year 2013. As can be seen from the enclosed list of the proposal submitted by the respondent number 3, except for the difference in the name of the petitioner, all the particulars are that of the petitioner himself. Indisputedly, on account of the error, the respondent number 6 got the benefit of regularization. The issue regarding regularization of master employee is settled, as rightly pointed out Mr. R. Borpuzari, learned counsel, in view of the full bench decision of Jitendra Kolta versus State of Assam and Upendas. However, the fact remains that the regularization of the respondent number 6 was effected prior to the decision made by the full bench of this court, and the name of the respondent 6 having been wrongly reflected in place of the petitioner, I am the considered view that the aforementioned decision should not be a bar to grant relief to the petitioner. In that view of the matter, I am the opinion that under the unusual facts and circumstances, the error committed by the respondent notice should be rectified. In the result, I am inclined to allow the writ petition by directing the respondent authorities to grant the petitioner regularization of his services with effect from the date the respondent number 6 is regularized. However, in view of the long passage of time, the petitioner will not be entitled to the entire arrears salaries, but only with effect from the date of filing of this writ petition, that is 26/7/2013, which should be adjusted to the wages he has already received. His pay prior to 26/7/13 shall be notionally fixed only. Further, having regard to the fact that the respondent number 6 has been enjoying the benefit of regularization for a long time now, it is deemed proper that his regularization be not disturbed. Lordship, this is the order which is attained its finality. No writ appeal has been preferred. What happened? The respondent authority have not done anything except they have given your Lordship payment of salary for few months, my lord, from April 19 to August 2020, and retention for only for few months, my lord, temporary retention. Then again, I preferred second writ petition, my lord. And the order dated 27/2021 is the judgment and order, which is a page 35 to 39, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, and the observation of the learned, the single judge, page 37, para 4. Para 3, your Lordship, may kindly have a look. In paragraph 3 of the order dated 22/2/19, a direction is issued to the respondents in the Irrigation Department to regularize the service of the petitioner with effect from the date on which the respondent number 6 was regularized. It is taken note of that the petitioner is Bhuvan Chandra Das and the respondent number 6 is Bhuvan Das in a said writ petition. The very aspect that there is a discrepancy in the name of the writ petitioner in the list of regularized master roll workers precisely led to the situation that instead of Bhuvan Chandra Das, one Bhuvan Das was regularized. And it is also taken note to that Bhuvan Das was regularized from the year 2005. The very provision in paragraph 9 of the order dated 22/9/19 would go to show that there is a mandamus from this court to regularize the services of the petitioner with effect from the year 2005. When there is direction of the court to regularize the service of an employee with effect from any given particular date, it is to be understood that the regularization would also be done in a regular manner in a sanctioned vacant post where all the service benefits would be available to the employee concerned. In the instant case, purportedly, in compliance with the direction of this court, the petitioner was regularized, but against a post which did not have proper retention. Consequent thereof, retentions were issued only for given periods, where retention orders were there for a given period, and for other given period, retention orders were not there. And the petitioner was paid a salary and allowances only for the period for which retention orders were there. In the aforesaid background, the communication that they wanted 2020 had been made by the Executive Engineer Golaghat Division, Irrigation to the Chief Engineer Irrigation Assam, stating the entire aforesaid facts narrated herein above, with a request that as appropriate retention orders were not issued in respect of the post where the petitioner has regularized, therefore the salary and allowances had not been paid to him in an appropriate manner. Accordingly, in paragraph 10 of the communication dated 1/10/2020, a request was made by the Executive Engineer to the Chief Engineer to sympathetically consider the matter and do the needful to accord ex post facto retention to one number of temporary posts of helper, which is presently being held by the petitioner Bhuvan Chandra Das from 22/7/2005 2/29/2020 and regular retention from 1/3/2020 to 22/2021. We do not find any infirmity or unacceptability in the proposal made by the executive engineer, and it is incumbent upon the chief engineer to do the needful and pass the appropriate order. It has been brought to our notice by Mr. N. Upadhyay, Learned Counsel, that the chief engineer had again made a communication to the Commissioner and Secretary Irrigation Department to the Government of Assam for doing the needful. We are equally of the view that it was also incumbent on the Commissioner and Secretary in the Irrigation Department for doing the needful. If the appropriate orders are not passed for the retention, it has to be construed the direction of this court for regularizing the services of the petitioner from the year 2005 had not been duly complied with by the respondent authorities, which may draw the ire of issuing of contempt notice. Accordingly, both the Commission Secretary Irrigation Department as well as Chief Engineer Irrigation Department are directed to do the needful as provided in the communication dated 1/10/2020 within a period of 1 month from the date of receipt of the certificate copy of this order. On the necessary order retention being passed, all financial consequent benefit thereof be also provided to the petitioner within a period of another 2 months. Thereafter, in the meantime, the current salary and allowances be continued to be paid. Lordship, after this order, they did not comply with the order. I preferred contempt application. And their plea was they are preferring 2 review applications before this honorable court against 2 positive orders passed by this honorable court. Lordship, they have preferred 2 review applications which subsequently was dismissed, my lord, by this honorable court. And the present state of the present petitioner, he is without any wages, without any salary, my lord. No post, not to talk about the question of giving a post to him, my lordship. Yes. They are thinking they are above the law, my lord. I should not say that, but your lordship, the very conduct of the respondent authorities are not to be, lordship. It's total violation of honorable court's order, my lord. At the face of it, they have committed contempt, my lord.
Who are the respondents? 8 and 9?
I am appearing for 8, lordship, now.
8 is who?
8 is now Jan Nirlekar. Earlier it was Manish Thakur.
In this contempt?
Yes, my lord. As for number 8 and 9, we subsequently pleaded them, and we have filed lordship amended cost title, my lord, on 4/12/2023.
4/12/23, lordship. The new incumbent has come into the picture.
And 9?
9, I am not appearing.
Yes.
So my submission is very clear, lordship. So far as 8 is concerned, he is present. So he is present. Nobody is above law. Whatever they have submitted, it is not correct. We are just exploring the various options we can adopt for challenging the order, because prima facie that judgment is in violation of a lot of judgments of the Supreme Court as well as the High. Now, what is my suggestion at this stage, lordship? That we have to give the financial benefit. If lordship is pleased to come to page 38. Accordingly, both the commissioners and secretary, irrigation department, as well as the chief engineer, irrigation department are directed to do the needful as provided in the communication dated 1/10/2020 within the period, within 1 month from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. On the necessary orders of retention being passed, all financial consequential benefits thereof will be also provided to the petitioner within a period of another 2 months. Thereafter, in the meantime, current salary and allowances be continued to be paid. So far as the finance secretary is concerned, finance commission secretary, there is no direction. But what I am suggesting that in 1 week's time from finance department. We'll clear it. We'll also explore the other legal remedies which are available. We'll comply
That
this.
is a different issue.
Yes.
But this order was passed in 2021.
No, thereafter the review was there. Review was dismissed in October. And the incumbent who was there, he is no more there. He was not there from January 2023, Manish Thakur. This new gentleman has been impleaded only in December 2023. Thereafter, we have explored everything. Now we are going to clear it immediately. Lordship will kindly give us 7 days. 7 days time because finance department was not directly involved. The concerned department is irrigation department, respondent number 9. And here only appearing on behalf of the finance department, respondent 8.
So within 7 days, what are you going to do?
We are clear. We are giving the financial clearance for paying whatever is the other dues. The proposal has come. While examining the proposal, we have come to know that there is a huge violation of the existing law. We'll explore that, but we'll comply with this order in 7 days' time. Thereafter, we'll explore.
Lordship, first order is of 2019, which has attained its finality, and the second order is of
That we'll explore
2021.
in appropriate court.
Lordship, and thereafter, your Lordship, there was, they have submitted before this court that there's a possibility of compliance.
So
That,
2 review petitions were filed.
Yes.
Those were dismissed.
yes.
In October, 26th October, if I'm not wrong. 23rd October, it was dismissed.
2023.
23. And the person who was involved, he was transferred to another. That is why the other officials were not aware of this. Now we have come to know. In fact, already a letter was sent to the Supreme Court. It was wrongly sent for SLP. The division bench is open here. So we are going to explore that, but that is not the issue. In the last order, also the Honorable Court said, if the Lordship is pleased to see the last order of 2/2/2024 of my Lord Justice Shyam. Here, Lordship will kindly see page number 3. Internal page 4, Lordship will kindly come to the last paragraph. In view of above, the respondent number 8 and 9 are directed to remain personally present before this court on the next date fixed so as to answer why proceedings for committing contempt of this court should not be initiated against them. List this case on 11th, that is today. If for any reason the order of the learned single judge dated 27/10/2021 is stayed by any superior court before the next date, then in that event, the personal appearance of the respondent number 8 and 9 would not be necessary on the next date fixed. So we are already telling the court that we are going to explore now. What is the problem? It is not a case of solitary case that we are going to clear. We are clearing this. But there will be a floodgate of identical cases, and there is a strict part of the full bench of this honorable court, paragraph 28, subpara 3. Lordship knows that Jitendra Kolita's case. Then thereafter in 2016, another case, Upenda's case. All these cases are very clear. Not to speak about Uma Devi and the other cases of the Honorable Supreme Court, including Nihal Singh's case, that we cannot give any direction for regularization. But in this case, she was lucky, her client was lucky that in 2019 itself, after the first order, he was regularized without following any norms. The executive engineer have done that blunder. He will also face the music now. He should have brought it to the notice of the government. A government has taken a principal stand all in respect of all workshop and masteral workers from 2013 onwards on the basis of the various principles laid by this honorable court as well as by the honorable Supreme Court. The full bench judgment of Uma Devi is there, followed by Nihal Singh's case of 2013. In the meantime, there is another case of 2008.
So in 7 days, you are making the clearance?
Yes, we are going.
Lordship, may I submit-
And we also, Lordship, I am because we do not want to take anything at surprise, but we are going to explore the other things also. We'll comply.
That this court is not saying anything.
Yes, Lordship. That is, but
till today, there's no any order from the superior court.
That's why I'm not saying
So
that
you'll have to proceed according to the.
let the matter come up after 1 week. In the meantime, I'll produce a letter of clearance from finance department.
Lordship, may I submit one thing? In
But nobody is
2005,
above law. All these
the
things are.
order of regularization came in my favor. I'm just a grateful employee, masteral worker. It came in my favor. instead of knowing all the facts which I brought into notice in the 2013 itself, they did not take any action against the person to whom the benefit was given, my lord. Lordship, 2005, my lord, that order regularization before Umadevi judgment has been passed, Nihal Singh judgment has been passed, Jitendra Kovilta judgment has been passed. Order regularization came in my favor, all the details,
That we have noticed.
my lord.
That we have noticed.
Yes, my lord. And all those factors have been brought in before this honorable court, Jitendra Kovilta judgment and all.
Third MS B. Buyan, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by MS B. Bora, Learned Counsel. Stop. Mr. D. Saikia, Learned Advocate General.
I am appearing here as a, yes, even lordship, Advocate General.
On behalf, no, cancel it. The respondents 8 and 9 are present in court as per the directions passed by this court on 2/2/22. Stop. Mr. D. Saikia, Learned. You want Advocate General or Counsel?
As senior counsel, let it be like.
Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Counsel, applying for respond number 8, submits that financial clearance should be given for the
Outstanding dues.
Outstanding dues
Dues and salaries.
and salaries to the petitioner within a period of 1 week from today. Stop. Have you sent the proposal?
Have you received the proposal?
We
Yes,
have
we have
received-
received, the finance has received.
It is submitted that the respond number 7. It is also submitted that the proposal for regularization of the petitioner has been sent by the respond number 1 to the respond number 8. Stop. Para. Considering the submission made by the learned senior counsel for the respond number 8, please this matter again on, when do you want to give a date?
Lordship, could it be on? Let it be on 28/20.
On 20 March 2024. It is also made clear that the respondents 8 and 9
Lordship.
shall be present in court on the next suitable date.
Can it be on 19, my lord? I may not be here on 20th, 19th, no? 19th?
Huh? Let it, 19th.
19th.
No, their personal appearance may be dispensed.
Lordship may
I'm
not.
not dispensing it.
On 8th, maybe this may, because the financial March is going on, Lordship.
I have
I'll
serious
produce that
objection,
document.
my lord. I have serious objection. Let them comply, then your lordship will
Now
continue.
I'll come with a compliance document. Then
So
let
you-
it be. Let the personal appearance be there.
Yes.
When we are saying complying, Lordship, what is the point of?
Let it be there, we'll see. On that day, we'll dispense your.
I leave it to your Lordship.
Yes. Ten minutes.
Well, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, before your lordship, Malas, where is Malas? The Ames Guwahati Malas,
Sorry.
Ames Guwahati Malas has not Malas allow him to join his allotted post method.
Allotted?
Allotted post method. There is a matter combined Malas recruitment examination. This was held on minor. This was conducted by the Malas Ames Delhi Malas. Page 31. Page 31.
Yes.
These are Malas recruitment matter. And after that Malas he applied Malas. Page 33. Page 34, this is Malas his admit card. And after that Malas, result was first Malas, he was allotted for the post of Malas at Ames Guwahati Malas.
Page
35.
35.
Allotted post Malas, technician assistant, technician laboratory Malas, Ames Guwahati. This examination was conducted by the Ames, all India basis Malas. This is common equipment examination. These are allotment order.
Yes, then what happened?
But thereafter, my lord, this AIMS Guwahati, my lord, has not allowed me, my lord. Because, my lord, according to AIMS Guwahati, my lord, there is a degree, my lord, where is, my lord, BSc in medical lab technology is or equivalent. My lord, advertisement, kindly have a look for advertisement, my lord. Page, that is, my lord, page 31. Again, my lord.
Yes.
Page 32, my 11%.
32.
And 88, my lord, technical. My lord, second, my lord, second. One post, my lord, laboratory technician.
Yes.
Kindly got, my lord. The, my lord, essential qualification is, my lord, BSc in medical technology or equivalent. Kindly got, my lord.
Yes.
This equivalent, my lord. This equivalent, what course, my lord, is equivalent to, my lord, BSc medical lab is not defined in this, my lord, advertisement.
Yes.
According to my, and my lord, kindly have a look, my lord. Please, my lord. There is a report in this regard, my lord, page 41.
Yes.
Page 41. This is a report of the coordination committee to bringing the uniformity in the recruitment rules for various non-faculty posts, their nomenclature, qualification, and pay scale, etc. in AIMS, Delhi, and other AIMS. And kind of page 42, my lord. This is a relevant question, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, second cadre of laboratory, my lord, second, my lord. This is a technician laboratory, my lord. Can you go ahead?
Yes. Yes.
My lord, essential qualification is, my lord, BSc Medical Lab Technology. That was my advertisement. From recognized institutions or, my lord, BSc Physics, Chemistry, Maths, Biology, my lord. That is, my lord, what, my lord, BSc Medical Lab Technology is equivalent to BSc Physics, Chemistry, Maths, my lord. This is what, my lord, this my report means, my lord. My lord, other, my lord, and my lord, petitioner is, my lord, BSc Physics, Chemistry, Maths, my lord, plus diploma in medical lab, my lord. This is equivalent to BSc, my lord, medical lab technology, according to this report, my lord. This, my lord, equivalent word is well defined in this, my lord, category, my lord.
Yes, Google.
And, my lord, the GA, according to, my lord, AIMS Guwahati, my lord, this BSc Physics, Chemistry plus diploma is not equivalent to BSc level medical lab technology.
You take instruction.
Lordship, otherwise, Lordship, I have just informed Lordship. The petitioner is Lordship, the BSc Medical Lab is a course, Lordship. It's a 4 years course, Lordship. And Lordship, BSc in Zoology, Mathematics, or Physics is a 3 years course, Lordship.
Plus diploma.
So, Lordship, as per the Lordship, the findings of the Lordship, AIMS is that Lordship, the degree which was obtained by the petitioner is not an equivalent degree. It's a 3 years degree, Lordship. And it should be, Lordship, the BSc in medical lab, the 4 years degree.
It was a central examination, is
Lordship.
And after they've recommended them, how can you refuse?
Lordship, it is not recommended, it is allotted, Lordship. After allotment, Lordship, all the verification is done by the concerned AIMS, Lordship. Say, Lordship, Delhi AIMS, Lordship. Say, Lordship, Jabalpur AIMS, Lordship. It's the Guwahati AIMS, Lordship. Calcutta AIMS, Lordship. Allotment was done, Lordship. After that, all verification is done, Lordship. It is the reason, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship may issue short notice, I will come up with the affidavit, Lordship. Regarding
Okay, hurt,
equivalence,
Mr.
Well, push maybe, my lord, at least estimate, otherwise, my lord, he may fill up the push, my lord.
No.
Now, without, he fill up the post, my lord. If, my lord,
or fill up the, it should be Lordship, against advertisement should be done, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petition. Issue notice. Mr. K. Google.
I am Lordship, all the respondent, Lordship.
Learned standing counsel. Learned CGC.
Lordship.
Appears on behalf of all the respondents. Accordingly, notice on respondents are complete, however, extra copies. List after how many?
After 3 weeks, Lordship.
After 3 weeks. Till the next returnable date. One post of laboratory assistant. Assistant, isn't that?
Well,
are you sure laboratory technician?
Laboratory technician.
One post of technician laboratory.
No.
In AIMS, Guwahati. Shall not be filled up.
Otherwise, in the meantime, also, Lordship, if petitioner can, Lordship, produce a document regarding equivalency, Lordship, we have no issue, Lordship.
That you produce.
No, Lordship.
Diploma.
19, impleadment of parcel.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yeah.
On last occasion, the matter was adjourned for the fact that the council for the All India Council for Technical Education was not there. So the petitioner was given the direction to pursue and serve the copy to the concerned council. Lordship, with the heavy heart, I want to say that a lot of search was there, but no like counsel was there for AICT. In fact, it was taken from the both the sides, but it is already there in the cause list also. But still, there is no council representing the All India Council for Technical Education. So anybody from the CGC, if can take it up, or we can send it through the registered post if required. Because impleadment of that respondent is very much.
I think AICT, they have a council, isn't it? I think there is a council.
Yes, I have also come across those AICT recently, Lordship, because I have one matter, common matter, Lordship, where AICT is a party and their council has appeared, Lordship.
If I can come to know,
Why to the office of Compulsory?
we had gone through the records, but everyone is saying that nobody is there as such for the ICT. For the DT is there. The copy of the I was first served to Sri S.C. Kayalji. He was representing the CGC, but he is not the concerned council. It's him.
No, Lordship, the thing is that, Lordship, if they are not appearing, Lordship, there is nothing that we cannot appear, Lordship, we can bring that.
Yes, so that.
If AICT is not appearing, Lordship, then in that case, the CGC can appear.
Yes.
We can bring that, Lordship, because there is no such bar or compartment.
RDV, can you appear for AICT? You can appear. No, are you sure you can appear?
I am not possible at it.
You want impleadment of AICT?
Yes,
isn't
yes,
it?
my lord. Regarding the matter, because AICT was not earlier impleaded. So that was the reason, like, since this whole matter now depends with the fact that without AICT also, this matter can be taken up. But AICT is important because of the fact that the clarification has come from the AICT and the matter has to be heard in presence of AICT. And it was.
I'll appear to communicate the order of the.
Yes, my.
Then we'll implement AICT.
Yes, my.
Heard, Mr.
WR Medi.
WR?
Medi.
Medi. Then we counsel for the applicant.
2020 advertisement, my lord.
By this application, the applicant is praying for impleadment of All India Council for Technical Education within bracket AICT as party response number 6 in WBC number 3899 of 2022. Stop. After considering the cause shown in the 3899 of 2022 on the ground that the said AICT is a necessary part. Stop. After considering the cause shown in the present application, the prayer for impleadment is allowed. I is disposed in the main application in view of the order passed today in IN number so let we give the full address be implemented as party response number 6 in the present petition. Stop. Will issue notice or you'll accept? You'll accept. MSR David Leonard CGC and disappearance on the newly implemented response number 6. Stop. The petitioner is directed to file an amended cost title within 1 week.
No, my lord, within by tomorrow.
Within a week from today.
Within a week.
List after? Okay. After 3 weeks.
A fixed date, my lord. A
fixed date cannot be given now.
Any day.
3rd April.
Obliged.
20.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, during the pendency of this contempt petition, the incumbents in the department, they have changed And hence we have filed this IA for impleadment of the new party. And there was a direction given by this honorable court dated 5/2/2024. It's annexed as annexure 1 in page number 12 to 13. The direction was given to implead respondent number 1, 2, 3 as a party.
Mm.
And Lordship, we have also submitted a second forwarding letter to the department
Mm.
since they have not complied with the earlier order. And since Lordship, this contempt petition is a 2022 matter, during the pendency of the case, they have, incumbents have changed and moreover, yes, my lord.
Who are the
The Lordship, respondent number 1, that is the commissioner and secretary to the governor, Sam.
1 minute? Whom do you want to implead?
All the 4 respondents, my lord.
Page 2,
Yes, my lord.
as party respondents number?
1, 2, 3, and 4 as well.
No, there should be already.
Lordship, it's IA number 738 of 2024. That was filed on 29/2/2024.
So you want to implead whom?
All the 4 respondents, my lord.
There are different 4 respondents, page number.
The Lordship, in IA 738, page number 2. Oh, sorry, my lords. It's page number 3. Page number 2 is the all respondents that has been replaced by the new respondents at
So
page
they'll
number
be
3.
impleaded respondents 5, 6, 7, and 8. Not
Lordship.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, in that case, during the course of the day, I'll file for an amendment of post title. They will make the necessary changes and make them as a party.
In the main contempt petition?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, that will be. Third MS?
Lordship, Valentina Villabino Tanyu.
VV Tanya,
Yes, my lord.
learned counsel for the petitioner. For the applicant. By this application, the applicants are praying for impleadment of page 3. 8A. As party respondents, 5, 6, 7, and 8 in contempt petition number 424 of 2022. On the ground that the earlier incumbent has been transferred out and the aforesaid incumbents are presently holding the respective posts. After considering the cause shown in the present application, the prayer for impleadment is allowed. I rest this post in the next contempt in view of order passed today and so and so. Let again put the whole name be impleaded as party respondents 5, 6, 7, and 8 in the present contempt petition. Stop. Issue notice to the newly impleaded respondents 5, 6, 7, and 8. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the newly impleaded respondents 5, 6, 7, and 8 by registered post as the AD within 1 week from today. Stop. The petitioners are also directed to file an amended cause title within 1 week.
My
List after 6 weeks.
much obliged.
21, admission.
Lordship, will be taken up after some time, Lordship. Arguing until Mr. H.K. Das is on late, Lordship. He is coming, Lordship. After some time, Lordship.
Not will take up this matter, but before then.
Lordship.
If he is ready, Lordship, then
First, we are ready, Lordship, taken up after some time.
Let us do one thing. Today I'm not so well. We can take up on a different date within 1 or 2 days. Give a convenient date. Today I'm not well.
Lordship.
22nd, right?
That will be too far off.
20.
How about 20? Nayak?
Lordship on 28, Lordship, sorry.
20 motion date. Wait, wait.
On 21 then, Lordship.
21.
It will be
Okay,
Tuesday.
heard Mr. SK Das.
NK Sharma, Lordship, appearing for HK.
NK Sharma, Leonard Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. SK Das for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P. Nayak, Leonard Standing Counsel, Finance.
BTC, Lord.
BTC. As well as Mr. A.R. Talukdar.
RK Talukdar.
RK Talukdar.
For response number 8,
Leonard Standing Counsel.
Accountant General.
Accountant General. List this matters. List this matter on 21st.
Deeply obliged.
22.
I feel Lordship, also we were directed to take instruction, Lordship, instruction not received. So some more
Whether
time will
the
be allowed,
board
Lordship.
consisted of specialists in the field of
Yes.
only that much.
Instruction not received, Lordship. 2 weeks time we will.
2 weeks.
Okay.
Heard Mr. R. Majumdar and the Counsel for the petition. On request made by Ms. R. Deville and its CGC. 2 weeks further time is allowed to enable her to receive instructions. List on. It has to go to April then.
Yes.
First, second,
First, lawsuit's convenience.
any date,
No difference.
first step.
All right.
23. But in this case also government has to file on the affidavit, 19/12/23.
Although the DLC.
Obamania. Have you filed your affidavit?
Lordship, this pertains to compassionate appointment, Lordship. DLC will.
That's what Lordship, although DLC has recommended Lordship, as per his Lordship submission, twice SLC has rejected. And in the last SLC Lordship, I have not found his name. In the
No,
last-
my lord, last LCC,
Of 2017 Lordship.
his name has been rejected, my lord,
That's what-
prior
that's
has
what,
been
right?
rejected because others, my lord, person has been
So
released.
therefore, also I have to file one affidavit on what
Yes.
ground it has been rejected. by
Yes,
the
ma'am.
LCC. Because as per his Lordship pleadings, once his Lordship vacancy, and second is Lordship, he has applied late.
Heard H. Das, Leonard Counsel for the petition. Mr. CKS Barol and Government Advocate is allowed how much time?
2 weeks time.
2021 matter, my lord. 2 weeks, man.
Make it 2 weeks.
I'll try.
2 weeks time to file counter affidavit. List after 2 weeks.
24.
It does.
Pleadings are otherwise completed. We'll need the records here. It's a challenge to the penalty order through a disciplinary proceeding. So 4 weeks time will be granted. 4 weeks. Fix the matter for hearing, and in the meantime, I'll just place the records.
Date may be fixed, Lordship. Otherwise,
You want it rule issued?
Rule may be.
It is submitted by the parties. The pleadings are complete. Issue rule. As all parties are represented, no formal steps are required. List the matter for hearing on
The date may be
As
fixed
per losses convenience after 4 weeks.
in the month of
after 4
April.
weeks.
In the month of April.
I'll call for the records and have the records with me.
20th of
After the PU vacation.
20th of April,
Yeah.
if it is possible.
28.
20, Lordship.
20 is a Saturday.
Oh, this is. Oh, sorry, Lord.
25th.
25th.
25th April.
Yes, yes.
In the meantime, Mr.
Yes, sir.
A. Sharma, Leonard Learned Standing Council
For Oil India Limited.
for Oil,
Oil India Limited.
Oil India Limited shall produce a record.
Obliged, Lordship.
25.
May I please, Your Lordship? As per the order dated 21/07/2023, the respondent number 4 is to file affidavit, but the same has not been filed yet.
Who's the respond number 4? Finance. Where's finance? Which order?
21/07/2023. 2023.
Chalia. You catch all of Standing Council Finance and bring him. We'll take up after some time.
Hello.
27.
May please, Your Lordship.
25.
My lord, I think this matter, I have a written instruction. This can be disposed of, my lord. The petitioner came before this honorable court for promotion, my lord. It is under consideration, my lord, and it will be, my lord will just give a time frame within 2 months' time.
Issue is, I am working as a junior engineer and I am seeking promotion to the post of assistant engineer in PWD department. Based on Rule 11, which says if you are there for 8 years, you are eligible. I am now there for 16 years. So the government now says that they are considering. So Lordship will record this and probably dispose the matter, directing them to consider expeditiously.
You are serving as junior engineer.
Yes, Lordship. Junior engineer under PWD from 5/3/2008.
Heard Mr. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Ardar, learned standing counsel, BWD.
My lord.
For the respondents, all the
All the
respondents.
respondents. All the
All the respondents. Stop. The petitioner joined the office of the chief engineer, PWD. Within bracket roads.
roads, yes, Lord.
As a junior engineer on 5/3/2008. The petitioner also completed her Section A examination. Stop. By way of this present writ petition, petitioner is claiming for promotion to the post of assistant engineer in terms of the Assam Engineering hidden bracket PWD Service Rules 1978. Stop.
Yes.
Para. Mr. Ardha, Leonard, Standing Council PWD, has produced a communication dated 21/2/2024, wherein it is wherein it is stated that necessary steps has been taken for initiation of the promotion in respect of the petitioner, subject to approval of views of concurrence from the concerned referral departments. Now, he therefore submits that if the respondents he therefore submits that the case as the case of the petitioner is under consideration, matter may be closed by giving a time frame to the respondent. Para. Recording the submission made by the learned Standing Council PWD, this suit petition is disposed of. Directing the concerned respondents to consider the promotion of the petition at the earliest, but not later than 1 month,
My lord, 2 months.
not later than 2 months from the date of receipt of a copy of the order of this.
Yes, Your Honor.
With the above observations and directions, writ petition is disposed.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
28.
Pass over for the time being.
Why?
I will be like my senior MJ Kadri, Your Lordship. He is on like in court number 27, Your Lordship. At 2 p.m. Your Lordship.
29.
May it please your lordship, my lord. This is actually covered case, my lord, because of non-communication of ACR, my lord. I have not been given promotion. My junior was given.
It will need some time deliberation, Lordship. We have filed our affidavit.
Affidavit, my lord, they have admitted the fact that they have not communicated. Kindly see, my lord. Page 36, my lord. Affidavit in opposition.
Page
36, my lord. It starts from 35, my lord. Grading of petitioner was given, my lord, only because in the year 2018 and 19, my lord, he has got 2 points, my lord. Others, my lord, he has got high average and average. They have not communicated, my lord. I am relying on decisions of my lord, Honorable Supreme Court as well as of this Honorable Court, my lord. Otherwise, I am senior, I am medically.
Are you filing reply?
My lord, not necessary, my
Not
lord.
necessary.
Not necessary.
Then we'll issue rule, listed for hearing.
My lord, I am praying for disposal in the admission stage, my lord. Because readings complete, my lord, I do not want to file.
It will need some time because I have to make my submission also, Lord.
So you don't want it today. You want it on the hearing day.
On a
Hearing.
hearing day, Lord.
Give a date.
Hearing date.
But MSS Boran and the counsel for the petitioner. On request made by B. Chakravarti, Learned CGC, list the matter. 21. On
28, my lord.
28.
Yes, ma'am.
That may be difficult. Is
28.
just before the holidays. We'll go to April.
26, my lord.
26 is a holiday.
Yeah.
Second of April.
Second of
April, Lord.
32.
May I please your lordship, in this regard, my learned interest to file affidavit.
Pursuant to the order of the Honorable Court 21/2/2024, my lord, I have filed the affidavit. However, my lord, perhaps that is not on record, my lord. I filed an additional affidavit on, my lord, 7/3/2024, my lord.
Maybe,
I have checked up, that is not on record, my lord.
may I
Now
pray
only
for my
now.
lord, because that the affidavit is required, as maybe on 13th, my lord. They have to only record is to bring, affidavit is to be tagged. That thing.
You filed what? Additional affidavit?
Additional
My lord,
affidavit.
what
Yes,
happened?
my lord. Pursuant to the order of the Honorable Court, my lord.
What happened, my lord? This petitioner is physically because he was appointed, he offered, selected and offered appointment on the quota of physically handicapped. Lord, you will remember now, because his medical certificate is valid up to 25, because at that time, as because of hearing, medical board do not give at a time. First time they give at a period, day after this one. Lordship was inclined to pass order around that. Why not to appoint on the basis of that up to year of 2025. Because as his validity is there, Lordship, then he objected on that point. Objected means he was asked to file affidavit on that point. Why it cannot be given up to 25? That is one point. That is the point below.
Let's see Baro Leonard Council. Mr. B.K. Das, Leonard, Standing Council.
Yes, ONGC.
ONGC submits that he has filed an additional affidavit on
My lord, on 7/3, my lord.
7/3/2024. Stop. Registry to verify and place the same on report. List the matter again on
13th Miller.
20, make it 20.
Yes, yes.
Murder?
20, 20.
My lord.
Then 18 Miller. 1 because many say
18 many cases are fixed.
Yes.
20.
Make it 20.
Oblige.
Oblige me.
33.
Basically, what happened, Lordship? During the service process, he has not completed 20 years of service, only 8 years. He has applied for VRS, Lordship. And after that, within 2 years of his VRS process, he died. And after so long, Lordship, like his wife applied to the department for granting of pension benefit. That only we have written to her that he is not eligible for the pension because as far aware he has not completed the 20 years of minimum service period. That is the case.
Okay. None appears for the petition. Mr. CKS, CKS what? Boro. None it's government advocate
Yes,
appears for the respondents.
respondents.
All
All.
list after 2 weeks.
34.
Your Lordship.
Affidavit in this matter, Lordship. I'm for respond number 3, Lordship, and it's ready. It has come for vetting, come after vetting, Lordship. So within this week, we are filing this, Lordship, within 2-3 days.
On the last occasion, my lord, a similar prayer was made, my lord. And my prayer for reinstatement may kindly be considered, my lord. So cause notice has been issued. I submitted my written reply. They appointed an inquiry officer. Then another so cause notice issued, my lord. That so cause notice has been stayed, but I have not been reinstated, my lord. My prayer for reinstatement kindly be considered today, my lord.
Yeah.
Lordship, just 2-3 days, we are filing it, Lordship.
Okay, let the file affidavit will see. Heard Mr. R.M. Deka, Leonard Council for petition. MS.
A Talukdar, Lordship.
A Talukdar Leonard.
Respond number 3.
Government advocate appearing for respond number 3 submits that affidavit is ready and the same will be filed within a period of 1 week
Lordship.
from today. List prayers allowed. List the matter on 19th.
My lord.
19th.
On that day, my lord, my prayer for
An interview
reinstatement.
shall be made to dispose of the street petition on the next meeting.
My lord, and deeply obliged.
May I
please, Lord?
Yes.
I'm sorry, my lord, I could not place off my feet today, Lordship. So, Lordship, kindly attend the matter for today, Lordship. Next.
On request made by Mr. D. Boyan and the council for the petitioner. After 1 week.
1 week, my lord. File your Lordship.
36.
But I pray for to direct the respond number 1 and 3 to produce the vacancy position, my lord, of grade 4 employee, my lord. Since
Katuki, you have filed your affidavit?
Not if affidavit is ready, I need 1 week more time to file the affidavit. Instruction has already come.
Later file your affidavit. Yes. Yeah, Katuki or Kakati?
Kotoki.
Katuki. Okay.
Lordship will fix the date, my lord.
Otherwise, we Chetri, letter council for the petition. MSMM Kotaki, Standing Council, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department submits That affidavit will be filed within a period of 1 week. Stop. Accordingly, list the matter on 3rd April.
Public.
37.
May I plead your
Yes.
Lordship, I beg pardon, Lordship, I am appearing item number 33, Lordship. But I am not on time, Lord. So, Lordship, may can
I've already passed orders.
So, Lordship, I may be allowed to, it is required to submit some document, Lordship, for supporting my
The
claim.
who was the
Lord.
council appearing? CKS Barua was appearing. We'll have it listed.
Lordship, allow me to submit the affidavit to file additional affidavit, Lord, for supporting document, Lord.
You want to file an additional affidavit?
Affidavit, Lord, yes. I have
Okay,
received
can
some
you do that,
documents,
doctor?
Lordship, to RTA.
Mr. M.
Sakya, Lordship.
Sakya on the counsel for the petitioner prays for filing an additional affidavit. Bringing on record the
Bringing record for supporting the claim, Lord.
bringing on record the supporting claims in respect of the petitioner. Stop. Praise allowed. How much time?
Lordship, 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Deeply applied.
37.
May it please your Lordship.
Lordship, I have the updated instruction, Lordship.
Oh.
May it please your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Espidas. He is on lake at port number 8. Lordship, kindly pass over the case for the time being.
They will consequently two jurisdiction, Lordship, after dismissal, Lordship. They filed one appeal and consequently they have filed one writ petition also for the same cause, Lordship. And the appeal has been disposed.
Appeal has been disposed?
Yes, Lord.
Are you aware of that?
Lordship, let it fix on 2.
Okay, after some time.
38.
May I please, Your Lordship. My lord, over here, the matter was in such a manner that when the file was placed before the Honorable CM for transfer, but with one stroke of pen, the CM suggested for the compulsory retirement, and on the basis of that, the compulsory retirement was given without taking the mandatory requirement of entire service period. And they are taking time, my lord, from last 2-3 occasions. If your lordship looks at page 180, second paragraph, that 3 line, I'll just refer to my page 180.
Yes.
Well, that 179 is the impugned order. Man, page 180, second paragraph, would your lordship be pleased to see, my lord? This culminated to everything, my lord. And they did not take my entire service record or service period for considering that compulsory retirement, which is the mandatory requirement, my lord, before taking that decision. And now my friend from the other side, they are taking time.
Yes.
Last time also they took time.
PNRD, they have appeared. I am appearing for response number 4, but the department.
Get from the PNRD. Come back.
I'll ask somebody to be here, no?
Yes.
PNRD last question, sir.
Sorry, the next one. 3940.
PNRD.
In this case, notices were issued to the respondent. They are yet to file their affidavit. So, may kindly look into the order dated 19/12/2023.
Yes, who is filing?
Lordship, I am for respondent number, my lord, Accountant General Royal, my lord, 4, my lord.
In this case, Lordship, Forest Department is the authority, Lordship, because they have challenged the order of.
Where is Gogol?
Kindly traduce page 53, annexure 14.
1 minute. Schedule of the forest standing council. We'll take out the sometime.
Item 40, Lordship, it's a contempt matter. Notices were issued, Lordship. Maybe they have.
We'll
not-
see. Let it go.
42.
But please, Your Lordship. I'm for the petition, ma'am.
We have received the instruction, Lordship. It's in the process, Lordship. Within a week's time, we are filing the affidavit.
Okay, heard, Mr.
D. Sutia.
D.
Sutia.
Sutia Learning Council for the petition. MS
Talukdar.
Talukdar Learned Government Advocate
Lordship.
submits that she has received instructions and prays for a week's time to file contract. Praise a lot. This after 2 weeks.
Hello.
Keep your blessed, Lordship.
Come on, come on.
Item 25.
Yeah.
In this case, I am appearing for finance department.
Yes.
Basically, it's a case for non-payment of salary since 2016 and a prayer for regulation. Lordship, I have seen the concerned department has already filed their affidavit. And it appears to me, Lordship, it's favorable to her. Lordship, later file reply, Lordship, if it is not, she is not interested, then matter will come for hearing.
Are you not filing?
Lordship, at this stage, probably I am not required to file it. Okay, because this affidavit is already there.
Are you filing your affidavit?
Reply.
I will take necessary instructions from my senior.
What is the?
Kindly the matter be fixed after 1 week.
Okay. On request made by
A. Kitawat.
okay. A.
Kitawat.
Then the council appearing on behalf of Mr.
A. Chetia.
A. Chitia. List the matter after 1 week. Stop.
'63 to '67 of supplementary list. Let me.
May I please, Lordship, as per the order dated 23 to 24, the learned council of BTC was supposed to produce records. Order dated 23 to 24. Mr. R.K. Mushari appeared on the last day.
Lordship, this matter has been allotted to Mr. R. Musahari, Lordship. Lordship, let me inform him, Lord. He will appear after. Not with me.
Yes.
At the time of his death in harness or retirement on medical ground. So, my lord, medical ground is there if he is take on retirement medical ground. So there is no dispute, my lord. What, my lord, they have, my lord, mentioned, my lord, that in their affidavit, my lord, affidavit was in file, that my case was considered in a DLC, but no mention of the date of DLC, no minute is annexed. Page number 44 of their affidavit in opposition, my lord. Serial number 9, no, 44 serial number. Page 44, my lord.
Oh.
My lord, paragraph 7 mentioned, my lord, that with regard to statement so and so, it petition deponent petitioner so and so was received by at Dhubri, but it could not be placed before DLC as the meeting held on 16/9/19. Application was on 19/9 and meeting 3 days prior, my lord. So they could not place. It was informed to IGP Guwahati that the matter was to be put next DLC 14/6/10 and put up accordingly. That with regard to the statements made in so and so, that with regard to statement made in so and so.
Where are the DLC minutes?
No, nothing, my lord. They did not, my lord.
You have a copy of the minutes?
Lordship, I have the copy, Lordship, but inadvertently, this has not been annexed with the affidavit that has been filed by the TLC Lordship.
So, my lord, it is
have-
required to be, my lord, brought in record. my
And 2, 3 things, Lordship, I just want to point out from the petition itself. I'm not relying on anything in affidavit. Lordship, the person, it is admitted fact that the father of the petitioner, he retired on voluntary retirement on medical ground, Lordship. But it is in 2009. And the government has taken into considered these things in OM of 2015 only, Lordship. And there is one more thing, while seeking voluntary retirement, Lordship, they have to make a mention that in his place, someone has from his family has to be appointed. But this particular application is not in record, Lordship.
Which OM was in operation when the
Yes, Lordship, this is the earlier OM
which OM?
of 83. This is not here, Lordship.
Does it
We need to bring these things, Lordship, once some detailed affidavit is required. And one more thing, even if I consider that he has prayed, Lordship, but they have directly sought an appointment to appoint the petitioner in the post of ASI. So immediately, Lordship, they have stated that they have not heard anything from them. It is their letter, Lordship, in page 25, where it has been communicated to the father of the petitioner, Lordship, that the scheme of compassionate appointment is only limited to page 25, Lordship, Annexure 6, Lordship.
Yes.
I am directed to inform you that the scheme of compassionate appointment is only limited to the class 3 or grade 4 service, not above the level of junior assistant as per government law. The post of ASI does not fall under the purview of compassionate appointment scheme. So this was their Lordship. Then subsequently, he filed another application, which is in page 27, Lordship. And thereafter, the person has died. And they have made an application before the authority, Lordship. So.
Let
as
us see the OM which was in operation.
Yes, Lordship, I shall file one detailed affidavit regarding this, Lordship. And OM is on
supplement.
2010, Lordship.
10 also.
Third, Mr.
MJ Kadir.
MJ Katir, counsel for
On behalf of Common Law,
MS M. Bhattacharjee, learned additional senior governor. Shall file a detailed affidavit, including the office memorandum that was in operation for appointment on compassionate grounds. When the father of the petitioner took voluntary retirement, as well as the DLC minutes dated
Lordship. DLC minus dated 14/6/2010.
14/6/2010. List after
2 weeks, Lordship.
my lord, may I pray for a fixed date? My lord, this is a whole pending matter.
Lordship, let me file the affidavit, Lordship.
third April.
Third appeal,
Third
applies, my lord.
37.
Maybe the Lordship. Now the government was directed to bring some instruction, my lord. I've been terminated. And on the same allegation, my lord, others has been working, my lord, still.
1 minute.
I think so. এখন দিব নেকি? Thank you.
Now the appeal has been disposed, Lordship.
Post and full of everything.
You filed an appeal also?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Lordship, they have taken parallel, that means in both the forum, they have sought their grievances to be redressed, Lordship.
I have to challenge against this order.
You have to challenge.
Yes, Lord.
So what do you want to do?
This may be close, madam. The liberty to finish this order, madam.
You withdraw it with liberty.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. We finish this order, madam.
Mr.
SP Das, madam.
SP Das, learned counsel for the petitioner. Praise for withdrawal of this writ petition with liberty to file a petition. MSM Bhattacharjee, learned additional senior government advocate, appraised for the respondents. Writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal.
Dispose, madam, kindly. Dispose, madam.
Dismiss him
I mean, he'll affect me, madam, again, madam.
with liberty as
Yes.
grateful.
Lordship may keep this order on record, madam. Since they have not considered my appeal, madam.
Then cancel the whole order. Cancel it. MSM Bhattacharjee, learned additional senior government. Has produced an order dated 29/2/2024, by which the appeal filed by the petitioner was dismissed.
Rejected.
Para. Mr. SP Das, learned counsel for the petitioner. Praise for withdrawal of this writ petition with liberty to file afresh by assailing the order dated 29/2/2024. Writ petition is accordingly dismissed and withdrawn with liberty as per. The order dated 29/2/2024 is placed on record.
Obliged.
48.
In this matter, your lordship, I am appealing for the department here also. You have to file an appeal.
You want to file?
Yes, your lordship.
But Mr.
A. Mohammed.
A. Mohammed, let me counsel for the petitioner. Mr. K. Kunwar.
Yes, your
Learned additional AG.
Yes.
Or standing counsel.
Your lordship, additionally.
Additional AG Assam. Praise for how much time?
4 weeks.
4 weeks
My
time.
lord, 2 weeks, my lord.
Let it be 3 weeks. 3 weeks time. to
The
file
date may be fixed, my lord.
Contract.
And he has a last chance, my lord.
Please, the matter on. 8 April.
8.
Obliged.
39 and 40.
Unlike writ petition, my lord, we have received terabytes. And
Contempt kono sir. Contempt, my lord, will be filing wakalat.
But
H.
Mr.
Agarwal. H. Agarwal. Lord.
H. Agarwal, learned counsel for the petition, in the writ petition, huh? Mr.
D. Google.
D. Google, learned standing counsel for his department, press for
2 weeks.
2 weeks time to file contract. List after 2 weeks. Mr. R. Taluk. R.K. Talukdar, learned standing counsel, accountant general. Appears for the response number? 4, my lord. 4. In the contempt, you write. Heard Mr.
H. Agarwal.
H. Agrawal, learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. D. Google, learned counsel. And to appearance on behalf of the respondent number. Which respondent?
1, 2, 3. Well, 2 has been transferred out, my lord. 3, my lords.
On behalf of the respondent number 3.
In fact, my lord, 3 has also retired. 3 retired, 2 transferred.
So you are appearing on behalf of?
Now I was on 3, my lord, but
Okay, enters appearance on behalf of respond number 3 and submits that the respond number 3 has retired. Stop. Mr. R.K. Talukdar, learned counsel, appears on behalf of
4, my lord.
respond number 4. Stop. Mr. H. Agrawal, learned counsel for the petitioner, prays for how much time to file an amendment?
2 weeks. Within 2 weeks.
Prays for 2 weeks time. You'll have to give notice, isn't it?
Yes, prior to that, we have to give notice, then we have to file impleadment, lordship, then we have to file an amendment petition.
That's right.
If your lordship allows, lordship may also take a name and implead directly.
You provide the
because-
name.
my lord, I have to take his name, my lord, because this one has been transferred out. It's both
Prays
his-
for 3 weeks time. To enable him to file an appropriate application for implement of necessary parties.
Alright.
List of 3 weeks.
Lordship, in rate petition, I am for respond number 5, my lord. 4, I am wrongly. But in rate petition, I am 5.
Alright, read petition is number 5, huh?
Yes.
On top where I said 2 weeks in the read petition, you said 3 weeks.
Alright.
Sixty-three to 67 of supplementary list admission.
My lord.
Yes.
My lord, learned time supposed to, my lord,
Have you got the
produce
records?
entire.
report, my lord. I need more time.
From respondent number?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2.
One and yes.
But Mr. S.K. Chauhan, and counsel. Mr. R.K. Mujari, no, standing counsel BTC. Has produced the records from the respondents 1 and 2. And prays for
2 weeks time.
2 weeks
Williams
time
report, my lord.
to enable him to go through the same. Praise allowed, list after 2 weeks.
My lord, if you lordship, my lord, fix a date, my lord, because my lord,
List on
my lord, on
5th April.
as it looks. 5th till 4th or 15th, my lord. Because he will require, my lord, some hearing. It is the Friday, my lord, 5th.
So
4th, my lord, hearing day, my lord.
let him first go to the records, we'll see.
43 of daily list order.
May I prevail? In this contempt case, I am required to implead the new incumbent. The earlier incumbent has retired. So lordship may kindly grant me 3 weeks time to
Mr.
A. Bhattacharya.
A. Bhattacharya and counsel for the petitioner, prays for how much time?
3 weeks time.
3 weeks will be sufficient. You have to issue notice, isn't it?
No, we have served the representation, but thereafter.
Prays for 3 weeks time to file an appropriate application. For implement of necessary part.
New income.
Please come to 3.
What supply?
Is a contempt petition, my lord. The order is yet to be complied with, my lord. The order was passed on, my lord, 2011. Sorry, well, 21. And I have communicated the order, my lord, immediately after, my lord. Receiving
Notice is complete.
notice, my lord, we took steps, my lord, on 7/11/2022, my lord.
7/11/2022. AD card, no unserved notice returned. Not returned.
But it can be deemed to be served, my lord. I have taken the my lord, steps by register AD post, my lord. All the respondents are from Guwahati.
Cannot be. Either you take fresh steps.
Well, I'll take fresh steps. No other.
Mr. Cycle and the counsel for the petitioner praised for taking fresh steps on the respondents 1 to 6 by registered post AD within 1 week. 1 week. Reach the matter of proposed.
46.
Where is it coming? You've taken
Yes,
substitute
yes,
service.
yes. We have filed the affidavit also.
Anybody appearing?
See, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only for 5 plot.
1, 2.
1 to 5 plot. Six is a formal party because they conducted the examination, nothing more.
Anyway,
Six
he's
is-
appearing.
Others are also private respondent. The only question which remains, my lord, is that I secured 89 and
No.
the last STP candidate.
You have taken steps.
Yes, yes. So substitute service also, we filed the newspapers.
When did you take steps?
It was filed, not on.
February 20.
Yes.
Where's the notice?
Notice from कागज हमारे को पता नहीं क्या थे. हमारे को copy to हमने.
Page.
When we have served the newspaper there, I can point it out better. It's there. It's there. हमारा copy कौन करता है? वो ही कौन पहले थोड़ी के down by.
Let us wait for the appearance once.
No, we wait for the appearance. What I'm on is that, my lord, so far as the rest of the candidates are concerned, basically I'm not against anyone. What I'm trying to portray a case is that the 26 candidates who have been left out for STP, for non-availability of reserved category candidates, I say I got 89. I got 89. There is nothing on record to show that I cannot be accommodated. So only the thing to that remains, my lord. And so far as the rest of them are concerned, it is not a case that I am asking someone else to be removed and to myself to be accommodated. It all remains, my lord, that you fix up the cutoff marks at 92 without any basis, because there has to be some basis of fixing up, although cutoff mark is not permissible. But at this thing, 89 whether can be accommodated there, because one post that is the interim order is there. But to cut it short, if they can get the instructions on that, whether because the rest of the world is not agreed. They have not done homework in the mathematics, which we have done. Then how do you fix 92? It's neither here nor there. 92 is marks. Now, what they can fix is percentage, not marks. Another thing, they have the power to fix percentage. Like whatever percentage they fix, they have to justify fixing of a percentage. If that percentage got out to 92, then
Not bad. Start one. Start one. Start. No, just check the page. No. Percentage के अंकों को पिछले लिखी थी बोला था yet no secret okay yes my lord page 24 for a moment page 24
Of your
writ petition because I'm not against anyone and it appears none of them are aggrieved with this. They've missed the obvious point. Page 24. But this is a circular got out on 10th of November 23. The subject is departmental examination of head constables and ASIs for promotion to the rank of sub-inspector UP. When I'm inviting my lord's attention to point number 5. This is where my case lies. May I read, my lord? The Departmental Examination Board shall work out the modalities, including fixation of minimum qualifying percentage of marks. No, it's not minimum marks. Minimum qualifying percentage of marks for selection of candidates for promotion to the rank of SI, UB through a competitive examination with the approval of DGP Assam. But if we take it at that, what they can fix is not cutoff marks, qualifying percentage of marks. Now, at marks 75, the percentage is 30%. At marks 80, the percentage is 32%. At marks 85, the percentage is 34%. At marks 89, it's 35.6. And the one who got at 92 is 36.8. So they cannot have a cutoff between 35.6 and 36.8 in percentage. It has to be 30, 35, 40, 37. I understand. This fractioning of percentage of marks, which they have done, is apparently not permissible in law, number one. And even if so, they can accommodate me because I'm the next candidate. 36.8, the person at 92 got it. I am 35.6 at 89. They did not fix the cutoff marks at 90 because 90 is 36%. They fixed at 92. Who was the last person got? That is 36.8%. So I would have understood they fixed at 36. No, they fixed at 36.8. And they say the rest of the persons, there is no eligible candidate. Here I am at 35.6. So irrationality is in fixation of the cutoff marks. And now since they are considering only one post, whether I can be accommodated, it's that much a call me, Lord. If the rest of the world comes in on the challenging this percentage of marks, maybe they have to de novo to carry out the exercise, which would be bad in law.
okay, heard Mr. S. Bani, counsel. Peruse the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner with regard to service of notice on the respondents 8 to 14 by substitute service. The affidavit is accepted. Notice on respondents 8 to 14 shall be deemed to be complete. In the interest of justice, please the matter again after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, fixing a date. Till then, I mean, in the meantime, they can consider whether they can give me promotion or not, since I'm the only candidate before this honorable court.
This the matter again on 3rd April.
3rd April.
In the meantime, Mr. CKS
Yeah, fine.
Barwal and its governor shall take instructions as to whether the petitioner can be accommodated to the post of
ASI.
ASI.
No, ASI.
Assistant sub-inspector, also. Head constable or assistant sub-inspector?
No, it is.
For assistant sub-inspector or head constable? It is examination of head.
Sub-inspector, for the post of sub-inspector. For the post of sub-inspector of police UB.
To the rank of
Sub-inspector of police.
sub-inspector within bracket UB
Against STP quota.
against STP quota.
Obliged, Lordship. Obliged.
47 hearing.
Well, the interim needs to be continued, extended.
Interim is there?
Yes, yes, yes.
Interim order passed.
Until further orders, if I may play.
Continue the next.
Obliged.
Lordship, matter may be taken up some other day, Lordship. My senior has some personal difficulty.
Who's your senior?
Mrs. A. Gayan, Lordship.
Mrs.
A Gayan, my lord. Matter of dismissal, my lord.
Okay, third Mr.
P. Kotoki, my lord.
P. Kotoki, Nanu Council. On request made on behalf of MSA Gayan, Nanu CDC. This is the matter. After?
2 weeks, Lord.
Your lordship may fix a date, my lord, in the last week of March. My.
Not only 2 working days are there.
21st March.
Can you do it on 21st?
Ship.
21st.
Matter of dismissal of long pending matter. 2017.
48.
Matter is come. Yes.
May I please, your lordship, we are ready for hearing today. Let it be taken after some time. My senior counsel will attend the hearing, Mr. M. K. Chaudhary.
This is the last case.
After 5 minutes, he will 5 to 10 minutes, my lord.
Court will wait for 5 minutes. We'll take up some other day.
My lord.
On request made
Oh,
on behalf of
my lord, let it be fixed on 19 March, my or 19 March, my lord.
K. Chaudhary, then the council. Please note.
19 March.
Lordship, can it be after Bihu, Lordship? We are having some difficulties, Lordship.
My lord, there is some most urgency in the matter, my lord. This is the second read petition, my lord. The petitioner was terminated 2011, my lord.
2023 matter.
Yes, Lordship. After Bihu, it can be
My
taken
lord,
up.
21 March, my lord. My lord, this is the second read petition, my lord.
March, I've got many cases. 9th April.
9th April.
Yeah.
I think one of production list, Subrata Kumar Pal.
May it please your lordships.
Yes.
My lord, here is a case your lordship will find. My lord, other side I have asked him. He said the party has instructed him not to appear.
What?
I don't know, my lord.
How
So
can
long
that-
he was so up and doing. My lord, even we, last time we wanted to withdraw, even there also he made an objection. Now surprisingly, just 10 minutes back also I asked him. He said, no, I am not appearing. So.
CGC?
Not CGC, my lord, the party, this Brahmaputra Valley Polyclinic, my lord. Now, in this case, your lordship will find the promotion was given in a retrospective manner when he did not born in the cadre. And that's the reason, my lord, I am the direct cadre person. My lord, although I was in the cadre 4 on 6/8/2015, my lord, respond number 4, 5 and all these people were promoted in the 2016 and the promotion order was given effective from 1/4/2015. Now, by that way, my lord, they have disturbed my position and continuously, my lord, up to 2023, they have deprived me. And as your lordship is well aware, that Supreme Court has many a times said promotion and seniority cannot be given in a retrospective manner. Now, even today, my lord, they are going for this fresh DPC. Now it's going on, my lord. I could not annex that particular, my lord, the order which I am having now. My lord, my prayer would be, my lord, the effect of this DPC may not be given effect. My lord, these are the orders subsequent to filing of this writ petition, I have got it. They are going to disturb the position from E5 to E6, then E4 to E5, all these, the promotion will be taking place. Both are different categories, my lord. Now, my lord, only prayer would be that the effect of this may not be given any logical conclusion.
Third, Mr. S. Datta, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr.
S Datta.
S. Datta, learned counsel for the case. So, I'll issue notice.
My lord, but for this, my lord, if it goes on like that, my lord, I'll be affected very badly.
Issue notice. You'll have to take steps on all of them now.
Yes, yes, I'll have to include them also, my lord.
Petitioner take steps for service of notice on all the respondents.
All the respondents.
On all the on all the respondents by registered post AD within 1 week.
Ah,
Can you
yes,
do it?
within 1 week.
Within 1 week. Okay, stop. Please the matter after 4 weeks. Stop. In the meantime, I'll say not to declare the result of the TPC.
Yes,
That will be better.
that will be okay.
The result of the TPC for promotion from E5 to E6 and E4 to E5 it shall not be declared till the next week.
Right. Obliged.
But that is quite absurd. How he has declined not to appear?
My lord, I don't know how they are conducting in this manner. Your lordship will find the rule I have seen, there is no indication that you can promote someone with a retrospective effect. My lord, even, my lord, by Honorable Justice Sema in the Supreme Court order that 2007, very categorical order that was from Itanagar bench went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court has said you cannot do that. Retrospective promotion and seniority is unheard of, and there is no law that you can do that manner. In spite of that, my lord, management is not, my lord, don't want to learn that way. Obliged.